Good morning, and happy Tuesday. Now, um, okay, so coming into market open, honestly, it doesn't look super interesting, but it seems like we are getting some action here, coming into this 5 minute candle, which we could probably get a trade from going forward. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start the live training over in the premium, and then we start talking some game plans, and we go from there. Now, before I do start, guys, I did want to say, guys, yesterday in the stream, I know we ended up catching a red trade, but we quickly ended up making everything back. We ended up catching ES shorts, as you guys can see right here. We ended up catching ES shorts for about 10 points, which doesn't sound like much, but it really is. Obviously, you can mind we're trading ES, not NQ. All right, so we ended up catching these shorts right here for this entire sell-off, and we made everything back and more. So we ended up making about $2,000 yesterday. All right, guys. So the winning streak with 0 red days continues, guys. All right. So yeah. Now coming to this market open, honestly, you guys know yesterday the market was really choppy. So I'm not gonna lie, from the looks of it today, we might be really choppy today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. We might be really choppy today. So let's see how today goes. All right, guys. All right, let me go ahead and start up the live trading over here in the premium, and then we go from there. Oh my God, there's some selling there. All right, hopefully that picks up some volume here in the market. Then we go from there. Let me pick that premium. All right, there you go. All right, let me see something. Yo, what's good, guys? Good morning. What's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going? How's it going? Oh wait, here I gotta do the thing for with my screen share. Let me do this real quick. Hold up. There you go. Okay, there you go. All right, what's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. How's it going? Oh, an afternoon in Europe. Yeah. Anyways, okay. So guys, coming to market open. Okay, look. I know yesterday was a headache. I'm sure everyone in here can agree. Yesterday was really bad. Some people might have ended green, some break even, and some even red. So whatever happened yesterday, you know, what I mean, it, we're past it, right? Yesterday was a little bit messy, not only for us, but for literally everyone that I know, all my trader friends and everything. We we all struggled. All right. Now, one thing that I'm gonna tell you guys is the chop from yesterday. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it might have carried over to today. Obviously, you guys see the market open. We haven't had a single candle in direction, like anywhere. It's wick. I mean, nothing is going on. Not only that, but we haven't even taken out any level of liquidity either to the upside or to the downside, which makes it literally impossible for us to know where the market wants to go and what the bias is going to be. Now, I'm not saying we can't get it. I'm not saying we're going to be chopping all day, but what's going on right now is literally chop. The same thing on pretty much with what happened yesterday. Now maybe we're chopping up. By the way, my thing is gonna freeze for 1 second. Um, I just gotta get the stream. There you go. Okay. Anyways, now maybe we're gonna be chopping because we have new home sales over at 10 a.m. Um, but I don't know. I don't know. Right now it's looking extremely choppy. So yeah. Now, real quick, guys, I'm gonna go get a bottle. Actually, no, I think I have a bottle of water. Wait, hold on. Let me get my water real quick. Hold up. Yeah, I had it in the corner of my room. Okay, I'm back. Anyways, so yeah, coming into market open, even with a crazy red candle, which I'm sure you guys saw what happened. It was like an impulsive candle. That itself didn't even do anything in the market. So, oh, and by the way, a lot of people. I'm seeing a lot of people right now are having issues with Tradeovate. How many of you guys can't log in right now? Right now, I'm in just fine, but I logged in a few minutes ago, so maybe it just happened. I'm on. Yeah, I'm sure many people are on, but some people are saying that they can't log on. If that's the case, just give it a few minutes. Anyways, you know what I mean. If you guys can't log in, don't worry, you're literally not missing anything. Right now, the market is super choppy, and by the time we get a setup, trust me, you'll have time. You'll have time. All right. Anyways, but yeah, let's see what the market does. Remember, guys, we have news in about 13 minutes from now. So hopefully that moves the market. But if it doesn't, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I am not gonna try to trade anything like how we did yesterday and get caught up in the chop. All right. So if we see chop, I'll be quick to call it and let you guys know to not trade this. All right. Today's really choppy. Well, we just opened. We just opened like what, like 17 minutes ago. But since market open, it's you know what I mean, chop, 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 chop. You know what I mean? Nothing has happened. In the time frame where it usually happens the most. You guys know the 9:30 candle to like 9:40 is usually the most volatile candle of pretty much every single day, right? And that itself didn't even have any volume. So imagine how we going into the PM session. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to see that. So if we continue chopping to like maybe like 10:30, we'll be quick to call it and just come back whenever a setup comes, or we just come back tomorrow. All right. Now, like I said, keep in mind we have news at 10 a.m. We have new home sales, which could move the market if it's really, really good. All right. So we'll see what that does. But yeah. Now, at the same time, like I said, we also haven't taken out any buy side or sell side internal liquidity. So we don't even have a bias. We don't even have an idea of on pretty much where the market wants to go. See, you gotta, bro. All right. Now, guys, one thing I do want to say is I know we have liquidity over at 364, but honestly, I don't think that level is really gonna have too much of a reaction. It could, it really could. It's an internal level, but it's not even that strong. So maybe we take this out, and if the market wants to go lower, it definitely can. So I won't really be looking for a reversal off of 364. I'll probably just be looking for a reaction depending on whatever happens. We just get a trade from there. If we're able to get a trade from there. Anyone fucked with yeah, no, right now, Ray, a few people are having issues. Don't worry. Just give it a few minutes. I'm sure it'll be back up. Well, so far we just finished taking out this internal liquidity. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I'm not really expecting a huge reversal back to the upside off this level. But I don't know. We gotta give the market some time. Like I said, I'm gonna give it like what, like 11, maybe 10 minutes or so. Um, and just wait for the PMI, no, not PMI, new home sale news to come out. I doubt it's gonna do anything crazy, but it could give the market that momentum that it probably needs to start moving a lot more. But for now, really, you know what I mean, not much that I'm liking here. Not much. That's all trading to internal liquidity. What trade was that? Oh, that was after 1 minute. Okay, not bad, not bad. That was like what, like a 30-point scalp? Not bad. If anything, Joker, try to keep it at that, bro, and just, I don't know. Right now it's looking a little bit choppy. So if you want to call it a day with that, I mean, not yet, but I mean, at least you have something that you caught today. You know what I mean? Yeah, ES actually, ES was a lot more bearish than NQ was today. Actually, um, now they kind of caught up with each other. If you guys look at the opening candles, look at ES right here, and look at NQ. ES definitely looks a little bit more bearish. Now, one thing I'm gonna ask you guys, when we trade ES, like every once in like every 3 months, you know what I mean? Like we rarely ever trade it, but when we do trade it, do you guys like those more slow trades, or do you guys like NQ? Let me know, because if you guys like ES, I might have to start implementing a little bit more. Okay, I'm seeing a lot more NQ. Okay, got it. All right, yeah, I mean I agree, but there's times where ES, you know what I mean, it's all right. You know, it's all right. Yeah, ES is fine. It's just not perfect. Do you know what I mean? Maintenance. Yeah, I mean, bro, you don't have to. You don't have to. I mean, I can't really do anything about it. Yeah, just give it a few minutes. I'm sure it'll be back up. Yes, is way too slow. All right, yeah. Now one thing I was going to say. Oh, never mind. Actually, never mind. Yeah, no, bro. Yesterday, look, although the trade went green after 2 hours, bro, I am not trying to do that again. Those are the most painful 2 hours of my life. Keep in mind, guys, it's not just 2 hours. It's 2 hours of watching the market not know what it wants to do. You know what I mean? It was painful. The most painful 2 hours of like the entire month. So I'm not trying to do that again. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But I exited earlier and don't regret anything, bro. I was going to, but I'm like, you know what? I feel like we do have more room to go lower. The volume picked up for a split second, and then we went back to chopping. But I still ended green on that trade. I ended up making pretty much all the losses back from the first trade, and a little bit extra. You know what I mean? Let's not trade ES no more. I mean, bro, if the setup is there, I'm gonna trade it. You know what I mean? If there's nothing on NQ and there's something on ES, I'm gonna take it. I held for so long, made profits, but I was, bruh, oh my. How to keep a proper count? It's a little bit. It has its strategies. It has its strategies. Now today, what I'm gonna do is I have a lot of stuff to do today, guys. But one of those main things is I want to start working on another video. I did a poll about 2 days ago, asking like, hey, what type of video do you guys want? And a lot of you guys were mentioning, or a lot of you guys reacted to, um, kind of reviewing more on continuation models. Um, because I feel like we trade those, but I don't cover them enough. I feel like all we cover is inverse fair value gaps with an MSS and a DOL sweep, and it's the same thing every single day. But one thing that we trade every now and then, which really works out in our favor, is the continuation model. But I don't review them as much as I usually do with the IFEG. Yeah, and the IFEG kind of cooked lately. Nah, no, it's not. No, it's not. It's been working out. I mean, bro, we literally, or yeah, we've been killing it for like the last almost 3 weeks now. Maybe just because it's a chop yesterday, you know what I mean? But it still played out in our favor. But yeah, so tomorrow, I mean today actually, after the stream, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and then record for you guys a fair value gap continuation model video with some trade recaps and all that stuff, so you guys can really get the what's it called, the best education out of that. Trust me, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The continuation model, if you guys think the IFEG model is easy, the continuation model is so much easier. It's literally identify the trend and look for a retracement. But there's a few extra things that I don't really review that much that might help you guys. But trust me, guys, it's so easy. So if you guys do understand my strategy, this video should be super easy. All right, so I'm gonna work on that later today. It'll be a quick video, like maybe like 10, 15-ish minutes, maybe 20, around there. But trust me, there'll be a lot in that video. Can you also add this topic that most people in the server, that most people of the beginners, how much is your size on their account, and trim, etc. It'll be awesome as hell. Thanks for that. Yeah, but that'll have to be in another video. I don't want to mix all those videos together. You know what I mean? But I'll definitely keep that in mind. Yeah, I am. I think we all voted, bro. Yeah, but the thing is, I'm gonna work on that video. It's not that I'm not gonna do it, but it has to be during the weekend because obviously during the weekdays I'm super busy with you guys. So that's something, just to record over the weekend. But for now, I'm gonna do the continuation model video. I feel like that'll help out a lot of you guys in here. And guys, from the looks of it, over on the charts, it seems like we got the internal. You guys know how I told you guys I'm not expecting anything from 364. Well, it looks like we're getting a very strong bounce off of 364 and bouncing back up, which is fine. Nothing crazy here. No setups or anything. But keep in mind, guys, we have news coming out in about 5 minutes from now. So in the next 5-minute candle, it'll pretty much tell us if the market is going to be chopping throughout the entire AM session or if it's going to start moving or not. All right. So we'll see. But in the meantime, nothing yet. Just extreme chop. Also, please talk more about risk management. Most people blow their accounts because they don't know the no, bro, no. Trust me, they know what the risk management is. They blow their accounts because they choose to. Wait, actually, you've been in the premium for some time now, bro. I feel like back then I would cover risk management in every single live trade. I'd be like, guys, sizes. I literally tell you guys what to size per trade, and I still get people complaining after 1L that they blew their account. Trust me, bro. They know risk management is, they choose not to do it. Trust me, bro. Trust me. They know what they're doing. They're not dumb. They're not dumb. But I do get what you're saying though. I definitely do have to make. I have a million video ideas to make, but right now it's kind of just, what I mean. I'm just waiting on it. Like we have to wait. You know what I mean. Obviously, have to work at one at a time in a way. But right now, guys, in about 3 minutes from now, we have new home sales coming out, so we're gonna see what happens there. All right. Is 7 contracts too much for a 75? Wait, I don't think Apex does 75Ks anymore. unless you have it. What's the drawdown on the 75K? The banner blocking the chart? Nah, bro, the chart's there. If you're asking about the name, we're on NQ. That's all I have. That's all I have there. NQ on the 5 minute. Um, with a 25K account, how many macros should you use? I would say about 5. About 5. They have vlogs with you. Bro. I mean, there's nothing crazy there. When are you gonna? Obviously, after the stream, I'm not gonna be doing a mid trade. I don't think it's gonna let us place a trade blast under. I'm not sure. My friend is in a trade right now, and people are in it just fine. From what I'm wait, let me see. Let me double check. Let me see if all the orders are going through. Yeah, all orders are in. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with the orders. Wait, let me see. Yeah, one thing they got filled. Yep, it's fine. Anyways, I already did. I already tried it. Let me. Yeah, I figured. Blast, did you ever try the 100K static? Yeah, I did. I used to trade those mainly. I got like I think 2 payouts from those accounts. I don't suggest it. It's way too hard to manage. Way too hard to manage. Anyways, guys, we have news coming out in about 1 minute from now. So fingers crossed this moves us up, at least into this London high, so we can try to get a trade. But at the same time, I really hope it moves us up with a lot of volume. Because guys, what I'm saying is, if we're able to push up like this into this London high, not only can we form a very nice bullish rally gap here that we can use for the future, like a few minutes after, but we can also take out this London high and possibly get a sweep plus a reversal. All right, guys. So fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. This is the current game plan right now. But if we do end up selling off, I probably won't have anything for you guys for some time, because obviously you guys know we've been stuck at the same price range where we opened that for the last 30 minutes. So literally nothing here in the market. Absolutely nothing. All right. When I pass my evo, will I have No. The account will reset. The account resets. Stan. The account resets. There's gonna be a fresh new account. But anything that you make after is gonna be your money, as long as you're able to get the payout. I think trade of it is on. Yeah, for some people. For some people. All right, news coming out in 1 second. Let's see what it does. All right. So this is the push. Oh, never mind. I was about to say this is gonna be the push-up that we wanted to see, but so far nothing. I'm new to this strat. So when we sweep liquidity, do we always look for a reversal? Well, we don't always look for it. We just try to look for the reaction, and then with that reaction, you're expecting a reversal. It won't always happen. It won't always happen, obviously. But that is usually what we look for. Yeah. So remember, the motto is identify liquidity, wait for a level of liquidity to get taken out. You wait for the sweep. You wait for the reversal, which will be the MSS model. You make sure that there's very strong volume towards that direction, and then you look to take an inverse fair value gap or a fair value gap continuation model into the opposite side liquidity. That's simple. That's literally my strategy. So, yo, you're 80% off. Is it only for evals? Yeah, it is. And then for the activation fee, it's about $125. It's usually like 160. Yo, John, did I miss anything? Nope, not at all. But yeah, guys, so far, literally nothing here. Literally nothing here. Missed the lower high by 1 point. Nah, by 7. By 7. This is the high that we're looking to take out. Now, let's see what we do here, because obviously with news coming out pretty bearish from what it seems like, we can create some sort of a fair value gap. Obviously, if we go a little bit lower, we can form some sort of a gap here. Now, the question is going to be, how exactly can we use this gap to our advantage? You know what I mean? Because we just barely took out liquidity, so we don't know if we create this gap, and we don't know if the market might want to go up or if it might want to go lower. That's the problem here. All right. So I was really hoping that new home sales push us up just about 7 points higher to take out this London high, and then we could have looked for some shorts, right? PW might no, it's not. It was only for 1 day. It was only for 1 day. But anyways, from the looks of it, it's a mess. You know what I mean? Like we took out the downside liquidity. We're still trying to go lower. We could look for a continuation model to the downside, but it's not going to be the best setup, mainly because we never took out this liquidity to the upside. So if we take shorts and the market wants to go up to take out this London high, it could do that and then go back down. All right. So I was really hoping we took this out so we don't have to worry about it as we take shorts, but we're going to have to kind of deal with it and see what we can cook up. All right. Bro, Cole. Why is this week starting off really choppy? I don't know. I'm not gonna say a lack of news. I don't know actually. I wish I had the answer, but there's just certain weeks where they're better or worse than others. You know what I mean? It's just what happens. And then this week seems to be a pretty bad one. All right. To be fair, it's only Tuesday, so who knows? Maybe it gets way better. But from the looks of it right now, yeah, it is pretty choppy. But yeah, so far, I mean, we are selling off. We do have an imbalance here, at least for now. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna close in the next 1 minute and 30 seconds. We gotta wait for that. But whatever happens there, we can go ahead and try to snipe something. Now to be fair, we kind of did take out this internal high up here. So we can still count it as a deal wall sweep, just not the strongest one. You know what I mean? So in this case, guys, my bias, especially with news coming out a little bit more bearish than bullish, my bias for now is going to be definitely bearish. Definitely bearish. So what we could do in this case, guys, is we could start looking for some shorts. Obviously not right now. But in about 6 minutes from now, we can definitely get a trade going on. And what I mean by this, guys, is if we're able to close this fair value. Okay, look, we took out this internal. I wish we took out this London high up here, but we weren't able to. But we could work off this internal. And in this case, guys, if we sell off, which we sold off about 70 points right here, we have the imbalance around this range right here where my mouse is. All right, keep in mind, as long as we're able to hold it. If we wake up in the next 40 seconds, then yeah, the setup is gone. But what we can do here, guys, is we can look if the fair value gap closes and holds up and everything, which is kind of like a 50-50 right now, right? We could look for a retracement into this imbalance, look for a strong rejection. We take shorts and we simply just target this London low down here, all right? Because it seems like that's what the market wants, at least with the news. So we don't know just yet. We're gonna figure it out. Now in the next 15 seconds, we need this candle to kind of sell off about 10 points. Hopefully, it's able to do that. So we have the setup there. But let's see, we have 5 seconds into this candle. Do we hold it? 2 seconds. I don't know. I mean, it's gonna be it's here. Don't get me wrong, it's here. But with the gap, with the imbalance being so small, we might fill it in this candle with one little push up. So the setup might be gone. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. A pretty good chance because look how small this imbalance is, or this fair value gap. Right, one little push up, which there it is. You know what I mean? And the gap is gone, just like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, that setup, as much as we wanted to use it, we can't even use it just yet. So we're gonna have to wait for something else. All right, guys, we're gonna have to wait for something else to form. But at the same time, on the bright side, the more we wait, the more of a bias we get. Because keep in mind, guys, we're still trading inside of the same range that we opened at. There's literally nothing going on yet. Technically, it is still really choppy. All right, it is still really choppy. So we gotta wait for something to come up here. Hopefully today's not like yesterday where it was horrible. I'm really hoping it wasn't. But yeah, at the same time, now that we're not holding up this fair value gap, what we can do here is we could probably just shoot back up, take out this London high, and then actually go down like how we wanted to. So maybe we might look into that. All right. We'll see. But yeah, so far it's just really, really choppy. Have you realized Apex does 80% off every time the market chops for a couple days? I mean, who's to complain? You know what I mean? They're still 80% off. Ever since chunking into the office, we've had fucked markets. Yeah, but remember, bro, the markets, they have cycles. You know what I mean? We just have to adjust with what we're getting. I mean, we can't do anything about it. And if you want to make money from the markets, we just have to get used to it. David, will you try take profit trader? Actually, I've heard very good from that from Brian. I don't know if you guys know who Brian is. Brian Stonk, I think his name is, on Twitter. He uses take profit trader and he says that they have daily payouts. So I don't know how good that is. Um, I'll probably try it out. It does have me interested. I did hear about it. So I'll check it out. I'll definitely check it out. Maybe later today. I'll see what I do. All right. I don't know, but you guys know how it is. When something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Maybe it sounds good right now, but it probably doesn't have a long term. You know what I mean? Because daily payouts. Okay, look, no activation fees, which is how most prop firms make their money, and by most, all of them, right? You guys got to keep in mind, prop firms may make money from you guys obviously paying for the accounts and paying for the activation fee. If a prop firm has daily payouts but no activation fee, how the hell are they getting money? Like, obviously they're not making money from you guys making money; they're actually losing money. So, and especially with, let's say for example, I make with my sizing, I'm averaging $500 to $1,000 a day, right, per account. If I make $1,000 a day and I request it every single day, how are they making money if they have no activation fees? If also more expensive, okay, how expensive are they? Are we talking $200? Yeah, but you guys gotta keep in mind when they say they take 20% of every payout, they're still not making money. You guys gotta keep in mind we're trading simulation accounts. They just say that so they don't have to pay you out more money. You know what I mean? It's just an 80-10 split, so they don't pay you out the full amount, but they're still not making money from it. It's not like, oh, you keep $200 and we keep 800. You know what I mean? No, they're not keeping anything. They're just not paying you more money. A 50K account is $120. I feel like that's still not enough to be a profitable prop firm. I don't know. I'm gonna check it out. Because it definitely does sound really really interesting, but I don't know. Maybe they're good now, but long term they're probably just not gonna be stable. But like I said, I have to look into it. I'm not sure. I would just have to do my research. It's $170 a month. Okay. But the thing is, let me see. How are the let me check it out. So profit target 3K. So it's literally just like, and it has an end of day trading drawdown. Mm, I might try it out. I might try it out. It does sound really really interesting. Would you guys want me to try it out and just pass it on stream? Well, obviously you guys are gonna say I don't know why I'm asking. Obviously you guys are gonna say yes, bro. I don't know why I asked that, bro. But yeah, I mean, it would be pretty cool to request like what, like $500 to $1,000 a day. That doesn't sound so bad. Um, and I just put Apex on the side. Plus, I just finished requesting these. I don't know if you guys saw yesterday. We finished getting approved on the $20,000 payout. We got approved on them. So I'm pretty sure it hit the bank already. I haven't checked because I woke up and it was like 9:34. So I got on. What's it called? Take profit trader. Um, so I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna check it out. Yo, David. Okay, let me hold $5, bro. Send me your cash app, bro. Send me your cash app. Nah, I'm just kidding, bro. Look at you, bro. Look at you, bro. Bro, I'm fuck with you, bro. Anyways, guys, right now, we are pushing up a little bit. No setups yet. Nothing crazy, but we are slowly getting closer and closer into this London high, which I do want to take out before we go back down. But guys, it's been so choppy. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys right now. His ass got happy as hell. Bro. Anyways, bro. Yeah, so far, guys, no, it's just looking really slow. It's kind of looking like yesterday with a little bit more volume, but I don't know. I don't know. When are you gonna be using the 20 accounts? I have the 10 accounts right now. I kind of just decided to have them on reserve. So with God forbid something happens to my 10 accounts right now, if I ever fail them or if something happens to the point where they get blown up, I have another account. You know what I mean? But at the same time, guys, now that I have to reset the progress over on Apex, get the 8 days with, you know what I mean, all the profits and everything, I might try out Take Profit Trader. I don't know. It sounds interesting. It really does, because daily payouts definitely sounds a lot better than payouts every to every month. You know what I mean? 8 days to a month. How do you pay each month for all those accounts? What accounts? The Apex accounts? I don't. I pay for the lifetime activation, so it's just a one-time fee. I don't know why you're not using TopStep, because TopStep keeps adding these stupid rules constantly, bro. Now apparently, word is going around from the CEO of TopStep saying that now they're limiting how much you could be making a day. It's dumb as hell. Like, bro, that firm used to be no. Their marketing, you know what I mean, the way they promoted that firm was one rule. That's it. Right now, it's like a million rules. You know what I mean? So I don't know. Look, I'm not saying Top Step is bad. I just, you know what I mean? If I'm going to be trading Top Step, I might as well just be trading Apex. I have the accounts passed already. I already have them there. Why? You know what I mean? Those two firms are practically the same firms. You know what I mean? Just a different payout thing. But now, on the other hand, Take Profit Trader, I don't know. Daily payouts, it's definitely interesting. Definitely interesting. So how much? Wait, hold on. Can you copy trade? Because if you can't, then maybe that makes a little bit more sense. Can you copy trade on Take Profit? Yes. How the hell are they profitable? There's no way they're paying out that much money with only $120 per account. How many accounts? 5 accounts? Hmm. I'm not. Do they do Tradeovate? Yes. Hmm. Okay. I might stock up on some accounts today and just try to get those passed. What's it called? Take Profit Trader. I don't know. It sounds so. It's guys. You guys agree with me, right? For the people that don't use that firm, doesn't it sound too good to be true? You can copy trade 5 accounts. Let's say, for example, you guys make $1,000 per account today, right? You make 5K and you request it tomorrow. How are they making so much money from the firm? It sounds like that prop firm is kind of like a huge giveaway. You know what I mean? And then in the next year from now, they run out and they close down the firm. I'm yeah, I agree with you. I definitely thought about it. I want to try them too. I might try them out. I don't know about this week. This week it has been awful. Um, but I definitely do want to try it out. I got a homie that got a 17K payout from Take Profit a few months back. Okay, yeah. If anything, guys, I might stack up on some accounts today. You guys forget for 99% of traders fail. No, you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. A lot of people are becoming more and more profitable as the day goes on. That's why a lot of firms are actually going not bankrupt, but they're going broke. That's why they're adding more and more rules to these firms. Why? Because guys, the 99% of traders failing statistic, that was from back then, bro. Like now there's a lot more profitable traders, like a lot more. Um and that's because like more models are, you guys gotta keep in mind, years back when I started trading, no one knew what ICT was, no one knew what a fair value cap was. It was all support and resistance. You know what I mean? It was literally a gamble. But now that people are getting more inside of the market, and they're starting to understand it, there's a lot more people are becoming profitable nowadays. Which, you know what I mean, runs these prop firms a little bit broke. You know what I mean? Like what percent? A realistic percent, I'm gonna say maybe 70% of traders fail, not 99%. 99%, that's just news articles and all these big articles saying, oh yeah, trading sucks. You know what I mean? But on a realistic note, I would say maybe like 70% of traders fail. Like 70-ish. You know what I mean? And that's because they're starting off. You know what I mean? I'm not saying that they can't get the hang of it, but you know what I mean? Most people start off, like for example, let's say let me give you guys an example. Yesterday, we caught one losing trade. One losing trade, right? You know how many people you guys know how many people left? It's crazy. So I guess the same way goes for prop firms. They blow one account, they say it's a scam, and then they just leave. You know what I mean? That's kind of how it is. So yeah. If firms get paid X% of profitable traders, I don't understand why people say when there's more profitable traders, how the firm is losing money. The thing is, the firm is not getting paid a percent of what profitable traders make. If that's what you're trying to say, they don't feel out because of discords. Yeah, that's the thing. You guys gotta keep in mind, back then there barely used to be any discords. You will know this guy, like for example, Jadon. He was really a really big guy, a really big trader back then. Obviously, he fell off now because of everything that happened. But back then, guys, there wasn't a million discords out there trading the same strategy. You know what I mean? Now that the education has become more open to everyone, everyone now has a really good strategy. Pretty guys, look. For example, you guys know I trade inverse reality gaps. I did not come up with inverse reality gaps. I learned it. You know what I mean? And then I practiced it. I tweaked it to my liking, and then obviously, I started finding my consistency. Right back then, people wouldn't do that. People would just follow alerts and just, you know what I mean. No one would teach. But now, you know what I mean, a lot more people are becoming profitable. So you know what I mean. It does run these prop firms down to the ground. So then, what it forces these prop firms to do is pretty much make these very unrealistic rules, which sound fair, right? But when you guys are like, for example, the trailing drawdown rule, that is the stupidest rule I've ever heard. I mean, like that is literally bad. Like the trailing drawdown is the worst rule it's not realistic. You know what I mean? But the thing is, they have to do that because too many people are becoming profitable. Why do you guys think TopStep is adding all of these all of these rules? Because people are they know what they're doing, right? So it's making them pay out more money and making them lose money. No, Apex not adding new rules. No, I'm talking about like TopStep and all these firms. Yeah, TopStep is the worst firm at the moment. Yeah, guys, take it from someone that has traded a few firms. Right now, from what I've seen, TopStep is the worst one right now. No. TopStep is the worst. They keep adding these rules. Now they're adding a consistency rule to the PA accounts, bro. Like for what? You know why? Because too many people are requesting payouts, so losing too much money from these payouts. So now they're like, oh guys, you know what I mean, like we don't want you guys to be full porting these exit phase, so we're gonna be adding a 50% consistency rule. You know what I mean? That's dumb, bro. Like for what? They're gonna add it in one of these. No, no. It's not a thing yet. They're adding it. The CEO said it on Twitter. They said that they're considering it. That they're working on a fix. I can literally show you the tweet. Hold on, look. Let me show you. What's his name? It's like Michael. His name is Michael. Michael what? Patak. Wait, is it Michael? Oh, I was just searching up top step. Hold up. Look, let me show you guys what they said here. Look. Um, actually, I think Patrick tweeted about it. He was saying that it's like the stupidest thing. Um, okay, look. Let me see. Let me try to find the tweet real quick. This guy tweets every 2 seconds, so it's gonna be impossible. But I mean, while we wait for the trade, you know what I mean? We have nothing to lose. Um, let me see. Right here, I found it. Okay, peep this, guys. Michael, the CEO of Top Steps. Someone said, which obviously people are literally saying that this guy right here, this day trader guy, is his alt account, which it probably could be. All right, look at this. This guy said many of the Top Step's funded traders full port the exit phase with 15 mini contracts. They post images, videos on social media. Is it possible to impose a 50% consistency rule in bro? Who would ever say this, bro? Bro, this is his alt account, bro. We're not dumb. This guy made a brand new Twitter account and he posted this, bro. And then obviously the CEO is like, "Oh yeah, bro, you're totally right." Like, bro, we're not stupid, bro. This is his alt account, bro. We are not dumb, bro. Anyways, the CEO of TopStep said, "We too see the same. Yes, this is being looked at and may be coming very soon." Bro, he's literally working on a consistency rule for PA accounts. Why? They're losing too much money. They're losing way too much. Yeah, Apex has it, right? But we got used to it. But the thing is, TopStep, they were never known for this. TopStep was known for one rule. That's it. Now they have a million rules. It's super dumb. Yeah. So you guys see what I mean? Now, you guys gotta keep in mind. I remember mentioning, what's it called? What a lot of these firms do is if a prop firm is trading live on YouTube, the last thing you guys should be doing is taking their alerts, bro. I promise you guys, it just is it's fat. It's like it's crazy. I promise you guys right now, we have an 80% chance of opening up Top Steps live trading on YouTube, and they're red. You know why? Remember, guys, they make money from you guys losing. Why would they stream you guys winning or them winning? You know what I mean? Let me see. Hold on, because I always like to like to just put it out there. Hold on. Let me see. Top step. Bro, if they're red, bro, I'm gonna start laughing, bro. Let's see. Last time, guys, I remember I said that one time on stream. I'm like, guys, how much you guys want to bet Top Step is red right now? I check, bro, they're red as hell. But right now, let me see actually. No position, no position, no position. Yeah, so far they haven't taken anything. I guess you see that the market is choppy as well. But yeah, anyways, so tonight I might stack up on some take profit traders. Is that what it's called? Take profit trader? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. And we go from there. I'm gonna stack up on some accounts. I'm gonna try it out. I'm not saying I'm gonna switch the firm. I'm still gonna have my Apex accounts and everything, but it sounds so interesting. So I'll check it out. I'll definitely check it out. And give us your opinion. Yeah, I'll do it live. I'll do it live. You can't make more than 1,500 a day. For real, bro. I mean that makes sense. That makes sense. That does make sense. And the eval has to be passed in 5. Okay, bro, these rules are not on the thing. Okay, now it's making more sense, guys. Okay, now the rules are making more sense. So you have to make 3K in 5 days, no more, no less. Wait. Okay, then I don't want to do that, bro. Wait, what? Oh, minimum 5 days. Bull knocks before? No, I haven't. I have not. You can make max 1,500 per day. Okay, wait. That makes no sense. If you make 1,500 per day, and the profit target is 3K, how the hell am I be making? How am I gonna be making 1,500 for 5 days? That's way more than 3K. Or unless you have it passed and then they just won't accept it until the 5 days pass. That's what Apex used to do. No more 50%. I don't know. This firm sounds. Okay. They're good? I'll check it out. You can also reset a live account with 3 times like per account or just in total with all the accounts? Per account? They charge you? How much? $600. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. I mean, 600. No. To reset a past account. I don't know. Honestly, it doesn't sound horrible, but it is a lot, bro. You better be getting that payout right after, bro. I mean, well, to be fair, guys, you catch one good move in the market and you make that back the next day with a daily payout. So maybe it's not so bad. Let me see. Check this out, bro. How fast can you pass one of these? Let me check it out. Wait, phases. This is not TPT, right? I don't like phases, bro. That's just so annoying. No, okay. Yeah, I don't want to check. Bro, I see phases up here. I'm not doing it, bro. I am not doing it, bro. Phases is an eval with extra steps. So it's like okay, if you pass this account, we're gonna give you another eval to make sure that you know what you're doing. All right, and once you pass that account, you have to pass another eval before we give you a live account, bro. Like, just give me the account, bro. It's a scam. Yeah, no, guys. Any firm with phases, do not do it, bro. Do not do it, bro. So, bro, you haven't requested your payout yet, bro. Guys, this guy has made 5.5K on a PA account, and well, because of the bro. Just flip your account. Just do $50 a day, and that's it. After your request, if they deny it. Firm with phases, yeah. Well, obviously, firms with phases is a scam, and then obviously, if you guys know, Forex is a scam. I've never seen anything good come out of Forex. I don't think anyone has. Yeah, you can, bro. Guys, this market has been chopped. Okay, okay. Until what time do you guys want to give the market until we get off, bro? Because this thing is like it's worse than yesterday. Literally worse than yesterday. Jeez. I still can't even take a trade on trade of it. Is it still down? Is trade of it still? Yeah, for me. You go. Yeah, yeah. But I'm gonna go if I get off. But I'm not getting off just yet. I don't want to get off just yet. But bro, this thing is so slow. Super, super slow. Can you reset past? No, you can't. No, no, you have to reset the whole process. I mean, bro, we're literally like what, like 30 points away from this high up here. We might as well take it out so we can start getting the trade. All right, guys. Look, let me ask you guys something. Okay. Actually, I'll do a poll on it. All right. So, I'm gonna say here if we find. And wait for something clear. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a poll right here in the chat. Guys, go react to this poll. I want to see because if we do get a an 8 p.m. session today, I want to see what you guys would want. Like, if the market is slow, would you guys still want me to alert it, or if the market is slow, would you guys want me to not alert it and just save you guys the mental battle that is gonna give out? Because you guys know yesterday we held the trade for literally 2 hours, bro. 2 hours from one little trade. I mean, to be fair, we did make everything back, so I'm not complaining. But damn, bro, that thing was long. Look, let me show you guys. Hold up. In the meantime, while you guys react there, I think I put it like right here. Look at this, guys. 2 hours and 13 minutes for one trade. One trade. But to be fair, we made 1.2K from it, so it's not bad. It's not too bad. But damn, you know what I mean? Anyways, let's see what you guys are reacting. Oh, what? For the first time, you guys are saying don't alert it, bro. Krabby, what's good,
Yeah.
bro?
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah.
do you see that, bro? Yo, we're filtering out the signal bots, bro. Bro, you guys actually got me surprised. So if the market is choppy, okay, if we see, wait, oh, we just took out this London finally. Anyways, okay, I like that. I like that. All right. So if we do find a setup, if the market continues to chop, I'm not saying right now. I'll definitely take this into account. All right, I got you guys. I got you guys. But yeah, chat character development, literally, bro. What is it called? We're trade maxing right now, bro. Anyways, all right. Right now bro, we just barely made. I'm sure it's good enough. All right, guys. Now that we took out the London high, we literally have all the reason in the world to start rejecting back down into these lows down here. All right, so maybe we can get a trade going and see what we do from there. But yeah, we're trade maxing. Yeah, that's literally what it is, bro. For the first time ever, you guys got me surprised, bro. You guys are finally saying don't alert in a choppy market, bro. Damn, I'm proud, bro. I'm proud. I actually am. Anyways, okay. I'm gonna let me see, guys. Remember, guys, this is an idea. I might just do a little breakdown here to see what we can do here. Um, but this might be the next possible setup that we might be looking to take, guys. Save the stress, 100%, bro. Not only me, but you guys too, man. Speaking of, I don't know, guys. We honestly might have a little bit of a setup here. Thing is, the market is so slow that I don't know if I like it enough to take it, or I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know if we're gonna hold up this gap. It's a small gap, and we do have some selling coming in. But the reason I am kind of liking this one is, guys, we finally took out this London high, and we don't really have much to the upside. So, I mean, we can probably cook something up. Yes, still hasn't taken out the high, so hopefully the gap holds. Oh yeah, you're right. You are right. I mean, it's a 3-point push up. It can't be that hard to get. Right now we are selling off a little bit on NQ. Let's see. We have 3 minutes into his gap. I don't know if it's gonna hold. Barely. I mean, worst case, guys, if we do sell off, we can just form some fair value up here. Yeah, no, we're not getting this one. All right, guys. So we're staying without a setup. We have more confirmations now, which is a good thing. But no setups yet. No setups yet. Yeah, I have 492. Yeah, I have it. But it's really far away. Bro, what's good, Krabby?
What's good, bro? What's good?
What's popping? Bro, did you see the market yesterday, bro?
Can I be honest?
Uh-huh.
I didn't even look at it.
Bro. It was horrible, bro. Horrible. Actually? Bro, Krabby, I in the green yesterday. Bro, you know how long I held these contracts for? 2 hours, bro. Bro.
Oh my god.
Oh my, bro. No, it's not even 2 hours of like of going up, no. 2 hours of chop, bro. 2 hours of us being in the same price, bro. We didn't go up not 1 point. We didn't go down not 1 point, bro. 2 hours, somehow that happened. I don't know how. Oh, and by the way, not only that, bro, the trade was so stressful because our stop loss it was 1 point away from getting stopped out. Bro, look at this. Look. I entered right here in this candle.
Yeah.
Dude.
Oh yeah.
Look at my stop loss, bro. I promise you, when I saw it right there, I'm like, bro, I literally had it typed out. Guys, I got stopped out. The market is really choppy right now. But bro, it went back down. I'm like, all right. You know what I mean? And then the trade ended up playing out, and I made everything back.
There you go.
Bro, yesterday, headache of a day, bro. Headache of a day. Anyways, guys, right now we are getting more of our buys to play out. Although we don't have a setup yet, we could have something forming here. We could definitely have some. We just need to form a fair value gap. We have the DOL sweep. We have selling pressure coming in. And we definitely have a lot of room to the downside. We just need more. We just need a setup. Realistically, we just need a fair value gap to form. So hopefully we form it in the next candle. We'll see. But going forward, if we do have a gap, we could definitely use it to our advantage. Krabby should full port this market, bro.
LOL.
Bro, Krabby, you know what? I've been dying to go on a cruise lately, bro.
Bro,
I just want to be outside, bro.
Don't open my mouth, please, bro.
Why?
I've been telling you, let's go somewhere,
dude.
But you know why? You know why we can't?
Yeah. No, we could say it, bro. We're just too much consistency. You know what I mean?
Can't take even a day off, bro.
Yeah, we literally can't even take a day off, bro. We're doing too good right now. You know what I mean? I already know 1 day off, and it will just kill your entire consistency. The trips don't make, bro. Literally, bro. Trust me, we've planned so many things. Maybe like 1% of that makes out. Yeah, let me delete this because I'm not sick of this trade. Have one person, bro. Okay, what do you think about this? Have one person take the week off.
No.
And whatever, and the other person has to stay for both servers.
All right, then. So if we go somewhere, everybody's gonna go out. You stay home and run my cord. Fuck no.
Fuck no, dude. I'm gonna get lazy as hell, bro. I'm not doing this shit.
Exactly. Dude, imagine staying home on vacation. Hell no,
bro.
Come on, bro.
Nah, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. The last time I went on a cruise, bro, I stayed in the room for half of the day taking a trade because the market was shopping.
That's so sad.
Bro, it's so sad. Bro, I'm never doing that again. I thought it was going to be a good idea. You know what I mean? Like, oh, you wake up at 10, whatever. You take a trade and you go off to the beach. No, bro. You wake up, the market chops, and you're in your room all fucking day, bro.
Yeah, you get stuck in a trade.
I'm not doing that shit, bro. I am not doing that shit again. Look, guys, if I take a trip again, look, actually, I've really, for my OGs in here, not even OGs, for the people in here, guys, have you guys not noticed? Like, think of it, guys. Every time that I go out somewhere, it could be to North Carolina, to Texas, to this, to that, on a cruise. Every time that I go, a losing streak always starts up. No, we don't even chop. A losing streak always. And then guess what? The day I get back home, I shut up another winning streak. Like, bro, it has to be something, bro. Because it's happened like 4 times, guys. Look, I went to Aspen. Horrible losing streak. I went to North Carolina. Horrible losing streak. I'm talking 4 to 6 losing streaks like every day. And then, guys, the day I get back, I promise you guys, the day I get back home, 2 weeks without losing. But the day that I take a trip, bro, I don't know. I don't know.
You're
So look, I'm
funny.
gonna
You're
start doing this thing where I'm gonna start enjoying my trips a little bit more. So you know what I mean? If I take like a 3-4 week day trip, I might just not alert for those days. You know what I mean? I'm just not even gonna open the charts. Cause bro, every time that I go out on a trip, a losing streak always starts up. Always starts up. I don't know why. I don't know why. Let me see. Just don't trade during your trip. Exactly. And just extend. The thing is, I don't know how to extend everyone's membership. It's a little bit complicated. Because I have to do it one by one, and there's a lot of you guys in here. It's a lot of clicking. Um, David, not using it. No, I'm on Apex. I'm on Apex. I never said I'm not using it. Yeah, I am on Apex. I mean, bro, to be fair, I have a huge banner on the screen saying use code Blasters for 90% or up to 90% off on Apex. So yeah, I'm still using it. Now for real, please, we need your mind. The thing is, guys, you guys know me. I take a lot of trips. They're not the longest trips, but I do take a lot of trips. One of my goals this year was to take a lot. You know what I mean, just to explore and just go out. You know, but I can't focus when I'm trading. I can't focus on the charts when I'm out of my setup. I don't know why. I don't know why. No, up to because right now it's 80% off. 80% off with code Blastoise. You should take advantage as your job is mobile. But the thing is, every time I take advantage of me traveling and trading when I'm traveling, it never ends well. I could just never focus. I just don't feel in my zone. You get what I'm saying? It just doesn't feel right. And then obviously when you don't feel right, you know what I mean? You start forcing out trades, and that's pretty much what happens. I'm on icon, bro. I want to go on icon to the sea so bad, bro. So, but the problem is, guys, I'm 19 and 99%. Oh, by the way, we're about to take out this liquidity, guys. So if you guys are questioning why NQ is going up after we took out liquidity, is mainly because ES wants to take out the London high before we probably go back down. All right. So let NQ go up a little bit more. You know what I mean? Let it do its thing, and then we can cook something up. All right. But bro, one thing that I don't like is I don't get why cruises. Oh, maybe I do get it, but bro, none of them let you go on it by yourself. Um, if you're not 21 and over. That's stupid. Like, bro, I'm 19. I'm sure I could take care of myself. You know what I mean? I'm pretty much an adult. You know what I mean? Liability, yeah. So as much as I do want to go on Icons of the Sea and all that stuff, I pretty much can't. They're changing it to 25? Nah, bro, that's crazy, bro. Bro, imagine someone saying, "Oh yeah, bro, you're 21, but you need a parent to go with you." Bro, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy, bro. Hell no. They're not even my friend. Bro, at that point, don't even go, bro. They're the ones losing out on the money. Not that they need it, but bro, imagine someone telling you, a 21-year-old, saying, "Oh yeah, no, I need your parents to go with you so they can take care of you." Like, bro, what? I'm 21 years old. What do you mean,
still sound like a dweeb though.
bro? All right, bro. It's all open bar. Um, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Everyone always tells me like, "Oh, if you're overseas, you know what I mean? Like let's say for example you go to the Bahamas, you could drink when you're 18." I tried it. The guy's like, "Oh no, let me see your ID." I'm like, "What?" So I don't think that's super true, unless maybe it's the employees. Some don't care. I mean, some just care about the tip, and some take their job a little bit too serious. When I went to Europe, they didn't check. Bro, I went to the Bahamas. I was trying to relax. I'm like, "Oh yeah, let me get a pina colada." I didn't say without alcohol. And he's like, he makes it, and he starts crashing out. He's like, "You're not 21. You're not 21." And he throws it away. I'm like, "Bro, what?" Like, bro, I'm in the Bahamas. I don't think it's illegal over there, but bro, I was born there. I know. I know. Trust me. Trust me. Not that I'm an alcoholic, but you know what I mean. I mean, if you're having your moments, you know what I mean. If you're enjoying the time, I mean, one won't hurt. You know, you can own a gun at 18, but not a drink. Yeah, literally, bro. Like,
Yeah, that doesn't make sense. I
yeah,
know.
guys. Yes, NQ is pushing up, as you guys see right here, and ES is struggling to take out this 1 point of drawn liquidity. Once we take this out, I'm expecting the market to go back down, but we still have to wait for a setup. So let's see if we can take it out. But so far, nothing yet, guys. No setup at all. All right, let's see. All right, we just finished taking it out. Now we can start expecting more of a sweep to finally happen here. You can go to war at 18, but you can't drink. Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, bro, that's crazy. Anyways, Um. Okay. So in this case, guys, obviously we don't have anything to work with yet, but we can start expecting more sellers to start stepping in very soon. Hopefully, unless we want to shoot a little bit higher into 492, which we're right there, we might as well take out. You know what I mean? In the meantime, but at the same time, guys, we even if we do take out any of these levels, we don't have anything to enter off of at all. Because obviously, you guys know the market right now is a little bit slow, so we do need a fair value gap to form here. So far we have pretty much nothing. We have about a 30-point candle here. No, not even 20 points. Not even 30. A 20-point candle here. So nothing yet. Nothing yet. Yeah, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead. Send it over. Send it over. Um, bro. Bro, do you see that, Kirby?
Yep.
All right, bro. Well, guys, we're gonna be bouncing off. Bro, look at this. We're gonna be bouncing off of my eyebrow here, and then we're gonna be going to my nose for TP. Like.
All right. Bro, look what they posted in chat, David.
Yeah, bro. I know.
Bro, they're so weird.
Bro. Anyways, guys, like I said, right now the current game plan is wait for sellers to start stepping in around this London high to see if we can form something, and then we go from there. All right. I don't know if it might take some time because we not only do we have to reject from it, which we're trying to a little bit. I mean, not the craziest volume here, but we're trying to. We're trying to. All right. Once we get this, if we're able to form some sort of a fair value gap here, we could definitely take a continuation model into these lows all the way down here. That is the current game plan. I don't want to be looking for longs anymore. I definitely want to be looking for some shorts going forward. That nose got to be an order block. Bro, what are you trying to say, bro? Bro, okay, bro, Krabby. Okay, look,
Yep.
you know how I told you, like, I think it was like last week, how I told you, like, I feel like the more I sleep, the more tired I feel in the morning.
Yeah.
Bro, yesterday I was playing CS2. You know that game, right? Obviously, you know that game, right?
Yeah.
Bro, I was playing, and I promise you, bro, I started playing at 9. I don't check the time. It feels like I played like 2 matches. Bro, I checked the time. It was 3:30 in the morning, bro. 3:40. I'm like,
Damn.
damn, bro, I'm not gonna have any sleep, bro. So I go to sleep. I wake up. Do you guys not hear my voice like be more energetic? I'm telling you guys, like for some reason, the less I sleep, the better I feel. But the more I sleep, the more tired I feel. Is that normal? I don't know. Like I feel super energetic. I don't feel tired, but it is. Oh, okay, okay, and that's fine. That's fine, bro. Same. Okay. At least I'm not the only one. Less sleep produces dopamine when you wake up. I guess that's what it could be. Because like I feel like I can focus a lot more. I feel more energetic. I feel more responding, obviously, to you guys and everything. Because you guys know, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. There's times in the morning where I'll be live trading, and the last thing I want to do, I don't even open the chat. I don't want to. I don't want to look at the trading chat. I don't want to look at the future chat. I don't want to look at the live trading chat. I just don't want to deal with it. I just want to trade and go back to bed, right? But today, I mean, I have the chat open. I'm responding to you guys. You know what I mean? So yeah,
Buddy's in a good mood.
yeah. I woke up on the right side of the bed, bro. I see. Yeah, research indicates consistently sleeping less than 7 hours a night can negatively impact testosterone levels. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It feels a lot higher than what it usually is, bro. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe today. Maybe today. David, you've been trading NQ for a long time now. What percent? What percent of the time is NQ shitty slash choppy to trade like it is now? Um, I don't know. I mean, I can't really tell you a percent. It's kind of like comes and goes. You know what I mean? It's just market conditions. There's weeks where we have really good weeks, and there's weeks where we have really bad weeks. As long as you're trading your strategy, I mean, you're fine. Just say that you hate us, bro. No, bro. Look, guys.
Damn.
Nah, bro. Not like that, bro. 99% of you guys in here, hold on, bro. 99% of you guys in here are trolls, bro. I wake up to someone saying, "Yo, is David in a trade? Yo, is David going live? Yo, is David doing this? Yo, is David doing that?" Like, bro, I'm not trying to deal with that the second I wake up, bro. Let her look. I don't even have to set an alarm, bro. Discord itself, the notifications I get from Discord from you guys is my alarm. I get pings at literally, guys, the market opens. Not even 30 seconds after, someone's saying, "Yo, when is David going live? Yo, is David going live today?" Bro, I go live at the same time every single day. Obviously, I'm going live. If I don't make it clear that I'm not going live for that day, obviously I'm going live. You guys do not need to ask. You know what I mean? Like, bro, I promise you guys, I don't go live for like a minute after the usual time, and everyone's asking if I'm going live. Trust me, when I don't trade for the day, I make sure to tell you guys weeks before. Is it not true? I tell you guys weeks, bro. What? I tell you guys weeks before. Guys, I'm not trading this day. Guys, I'm not trading this day. The day before, guys, make sure not to trade tomorrow. I don't suggest it. Don't trade tomorrow. The day of, guys, good morning. I'm not trading today. And then people still ask, "Yo, where's the live trading? Where's the live trading?" This is, you know what I mean? Like,
See,
bro,
I'm not gonna lie. I agree with you, David, for that part.
did
That
you too?
bro, no, I'm even just reading your chat. Like it pisses me
Bro,
off.
no, I guys, I promise you, it's like what is it called? For the jobs when you're trying to request a day off, it's P what? P what?
What?
PTO. It's literally like PTO, guys. Bro, like I tell you guys months in advance, guys, I'm not trading this day. Guys, I'm not trading this day. Guys, do not trade this day. And then people still ask, "Yo, are you trading today?" Like, bro.
I mean, but like also you feed it, so they're gonna troll you about it now.
Yeah, I know, but bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. One of those days, I snapped and I muted everyone that was asking for a live trading. I muted them with the reason saying I'm going live at 9:45.
And they can't even join it because they're like muted.
That's what you get for being annoying, bro.
Bro.
Bro, this dude put my face onto a selfie, bro.
Dude, what the bro.
If you're really getting mad, nah, bro, I'm not actually getting mad at you, bro. It's all jokes, but it does get to a point sometimes, bro. You have people in your chat talking about you shouldn't have entered. Bro, no, that gets me mad, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. That gets me mad,
Wait, what?
bro. Krabby. There's been times where the trade goes red.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's times where I'm like, "Okay, guys, I see a setup over here on this thing, or I see this setup," and people are like, "Bro, don't take that trade. Don't take it. Don't take it. Don't." Like, bro,
Like
like, just let me take the trade.
you're in
Bro.
here to you're in here to learn from you. Like what?
No, that one actually. And look, I'm not. That doesn't sound like I have an ego, right? No, right?
No,
No,
bro.
no,
Think of it. Think of like
no, because I'm not trying to make it sound like I have an ego, but like, bro, at the same time, look, if I like the setup and I have my reasoning for it, I mean, I don't. The last thing I would want is for someone to say, "Oh no, this setup sucks because this and this and this is happening." You're just gonna be ruining my bias, and if it works out, then obviously I can't take the trade. You know what I mean?
yeah. In fact, somebody said go start your own Discord. Literally. Like
Yeah,
if
no,
you're that good.
look, all jokes aside, like I don't really care what you guys say about anything, but when you guys are saying like when I'm trying to trade and there's people saying, "Oh, bro, no, I'm not taking this setup because it sucks and you shouldn't take it either." Like, bro, look, if you're not gonna take it, maybe keep it to yourself because if you're putting that in the chat, people are gonna read it. You know what I mean? And then they're probably gonna be like, "Oh, you know what I mean? Maybe I shouldn't take it either," and it starts something up. You know what I mean? But if you're not gonna take the trade, bro, just I'm not gonna lie, keep it to yourself. I'm sure not many people really care if you're gonna take it or not. You know what I mean? Especially if I'm trying to trade it, I'm not trying to have people like trying to like, fuck up the bias. And bro, all right, bro.
I'm going. That's not. Yo, please
Bro.
delete that.
If people complain about a losing trade, and no, and the worst, look, the worst part is when the trade, look, they'll take the trade,
Yeah.
right? And then let's say for example, the trade is good, the setup is perfect, the volume is good, whatever, but the trade did not play out. All right.
Okay.
Bro, what do they say in the chat? "Oh, bro, I knew I shouldn't have taken that trade. I knew it because this was happening." If you knew that this was happening, bro, do not take the trade in the first place. You know what I mean? And then the same people that don't take it, bro, when the trade plays out, they're like, "Ah, bro, I should have taken it, but I missed it." And they come up with some excuse. Like, bro, it's always going to be something. Just admit that you didn't like the trade and you didn't take it.
Just don't take it.
Just don't take it, bro. Like, let me see. I seen your DM. You did? Let me check it out. Oh, yeah, you
Bro.
did. At 10 a.m. Okay, bet. Yeah, I'll do it. Raphael, I'll do it after the stream. I'll do it after the stream. So, yeah, actually, we shut up. Surprisingly, we went into 492. Surprisingly, we haven't swept London. Oh, wait. Okay. I might be seeing us. Guys, we have a gap here over here on the 15-minute that we could use. If we see a sweep from 492, we could definitely look to take some shorts off of like 450. Not too bad. Yeah, I do see the 15-minute. I do see it. Not too bad. One red trade after, bro. That's the worst part, bro. Honestly, I ignore them. I do not care. I do not care. I do not care. Bro, Kabi, you want to see something funny? Bro, look at this. Someone in the chat yesterday. Look, let me try to find it. Hold on. Has image. Bro, someone in the chat. I don't look. I'm gonna take the benefit of the doubt and say that it was a troll. Right? Wait, my Discord froze. Bro, hold on. Okay, bro. I put out a red trade yesterday. Right? Obviously, okay. Look, I've been on a 2-week winning streak. Right? Not with like only wins, but like green days. You know what I mean? We've been green for about what 15, 16 days, maybe around there, like 15 days straight, right? Obviously, if I'm green for 15 days straight, I'm gonna be promoting it so others see it and see what we're doing, right? So, you know what I mean? I'm there promoting like, oh guys, you know what I mean? We're gonna be live streaming tomorrow. We're currently on a huge 2-week winning streak. You know what I mean? We're killing the markets. We're going crazy. All that good stuff, right? Hold on, bro. There's so many pictures here that I'm never gonna find this. Hold up, give me a second. Let me try to find it. I'm just gonna go to page like maybe like 7. Yeah, yesterday. No, let me see. Hold on. Bro, how many pictures do you guys send here in the chat? Damn. Hold on, bro. Cause Gabby, you gotta see this, bro. You gotta see this. You gotta see this for yourself, bro. Look at this. I really hope I didn't pass it. I probably did. Look, like I said, I'm gonna take the benefit of the doubt, and I'm gonna say that it was a troll. All right.
Yeah.
All right. But look, if someone is actually being serious doing this shit, like, bro, like it's sad, bro. It's like, I'm gonna be completely honest with you, bro. No disrespect or anything, but
all right, let me see it, bro. Stop.
I'm trying to find it, bro. I'm trying to find it. There's like a million pictures here. Hold on. Dude, when did I send it? Bro, it's because someone sends a picture every 2 seconds in this fucking chat.
Bro, chat, he's building it up just for it to
I
be
found it.
so lame.
Okay, look at this. Look, like I said, it's good. It's good. It's a troll. In my opinion, it's a troll. Bro, like what the fuck is this? Look at this, bro. No. Someone said, bro, after I put out one loss, after 2 weeks, 14 days of not losing, I put out one tiny loss, and someone here says, "Oh, bro, I thought you were on a 2-week winning streak." I was, bro. I was, bro. Like, bro, it's to grab someone from the screen, bro, and just. Someone said, "Bro, Blasters, what the fuck is wrong with you, bro? You made me lose. You made me lose $400. Me, I made him lose I went to his house. I got his computer. I got his mouse, and I pressed the sell button, and I made him lose $400.
David, he's in the live.
I don't care. This has to be a troll, bro. This has to be a troll, bro. Bro, please tell me in the live right now if this is a troll or not, bro. Because there's no way someone is this serious, bro. I'm being completely honest. I'm gonna call you out. I don't care, bro. This has to be a troll, bro. Let me see in the chat, bro. Let me see. Hold up. There has to be. It has to be, bro. Because, look, I get it. People troll and everything, but damn, bro. that was too far.
That's funny. a little overhyped, but a little funny.
Nah, yeah.
I'm kidding.
Nah, you know how I am with my stories, bro. Anyways, bro. Bro, hold on. Bro, guys, we missed liquidity by 1 point.
Disgusting.
1 point, bro. Bro, you can't make this up, bro.
Somebody said I deserve a discount after hearing that story.
Bro.
Bro, what?
Bro, there's no, guys. you guys know right now we're currently looking to look for an inverse off this gap right here, bro. Guys, we missed liquidity by 1 point, bro. You can't make this up. And we're sweeping
Give us
liquidity
a
on
trade, David.
I'm trying, bro. I'm trying.
What am I paying for, bro?
Oh hell no, bro. Yeah, I mean we can still take this inverse because ES is sweeping the London low, but I was hoping we took out 492, but you know, volume is dropping. I mean we are approaching lunch hour very soon. Yeah, we are guys. No, actually, no, for real. Well, we are selling off here, so I'm definitely gonna have. Like I said, we've had a bearish bias. We just need more of it. Obviously, to inverse this gap. This gap closes in 2 minutes, so we can actually get a setup very soon. Actually, bro.
What the?
Wait, actually, no. On a real, guys, we're actually getting a lot of selling here. We can actually take this inverse if we hold it up, bro. Imagine we sell off. Okay, let me not say it. Let me not say it. But you guys know what I'm trying to say. All right.
All right, let's lock in.
Yeah. Now we have 2 minutes left, but in the meantime, let me start writing this alert to see if we actually get it. NQ shorts. PT. SL. Okay, so our price target would be. Dude, I really hope we hold up this gap. Oh, damn, bro, we don't even have that many price targets. What the fuck? Oh hell no. Bro, we barely have any PTs to the downside, bro. Okay. We could probably do something like. The problem is, guys, if we take shorts, I mean, it's not like we still trim from price targets. I mean, without price targets either way, so it's not even a big deal. Because I'm looking at something like this. Now, hopefully, the market can reverse just a tiny bit, 10 more points or so. We take out 492, and then we go back down. All right, guys. I'm currently looking at this. So let me see. 20,421.75.
Bro, all you need is a good 40, 50 points. You're set.
Yep. As long as ES is able to hold down this selling below the London low, I mean the London high, we should be good. But I am expecting still a little bit more buyers, just a tiny bit more buyers into 492, and then we go back down. Because 492 is a strong level. If you guys do look at it right here, very strong. And we have nothing above 492. So yeah, actually, in fact, 492 is practically the last level of liquidity that we have for a very long time. So if we take this out, we literally have no reason to continue higher. Technically, we can still go higher, but you know what I mean, it wouldn't make sense if we do, because we have nothing here, not on the 30-minute, not on the 50-minute, not even on the 5-minute. So if we could take, as much as I want to be bearish, I want us to push up a little bit more. We take this high out and then we dump down. Best thing that can happen. We can really get a setup there. And not only that, guys, we're gonna be inversing a 5-minute and a 15-minute fair value gap. Not too bad. I like that. I actually really like that. And we're not too far from entry. It might seem like we're pretty far, but guys, we're like 20 points away. Yeah, we're literally 20 points away from entry. So one little sell off, one little push down, and we're there. You know what I mean? Now, obviously, you guys know the market is pretty slow right now, so it could get a little bit hectic, but we'll see. I really just do want to take this high out first, though. I just hope today's market just doesn't chop us out, bro. Like, I'm not scared of having losing trades. I'm scared of getting caught up in the chop, bro. Because the amount of stress, the amount of like years of lifespan that's chopsticks away from my life, bro, it's insane. I hate the chop, bro. We're gonna do the 50. Yeah, we're currently on the 50-minute. I know you guys probably can't see my time frame right now because of the. I gotta change that. I'm not gonna lie. The reason I have that up, guys, it's not for you guys, it's for YouTube. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, we're currently on the 15-minute time frame. You know what I could do? Okay, would you guys want me to have this on? Like this? Would you guys want this on or no? No, please take it off. But I barely even put it on. No, hell no. Yeah, it does look ugly as hell. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Hell no. All right. If anything, obviously, I'll just let you guys know what the time frame is. But yeah, that's really ugly. How do you
You're
feel?
not wrong.
How do you feel about the market this week with people anticipating April 2nd? April 2nd? What's April 2nd? Is it tariffs? Probably is. Adrian, keep in mind, bro, we don't have selling pressure just yet because we have liquidity right there. We might as well take it out. Tariffs? Ah, bro, not again, bro, guys. Not again, bro. Not again, bro. All right. Could it be choppy? Maybe. Obviously, I don't have the answers as to why the market is choppy. Maybe it's just choppy because it wants to be. I don't know. But bro, please, bro, I'm praying we don't have another bad market because of tariffs, bro. How to buy this Discord? Someone asked. Where? Wait, I haven't checked up on my YouTube chat in so long, bro. Let me read it. No, nothing here. Okay. Yeah, nothing super important. Cool. Oh, there's liquidity taken out. Bet. Bro, it's YouTube. Bro, there's so many chests I can focus on, bro. Like, Mig, I don't know, bro. I would say yeah, but if you get a strong selling candle, probably not. What does this show for market lately? Yeah, this week has been something for sure. But yeah, no, I'm really hoping that. Does anyone know what type of tariffs it is? Is it like on one country, or is it plans for tariffs? What is it? Because if it's plans for tariffs, we might be fucked. All countries. Oh. Oh. Look, if the market does sell off, I'm just gonna add more into my long-term portfolio. That's the best thing I could do. Why is 492 liquidity? Go to the higher time frame. You zoom back. Right here. Final level of liquidity that we have nearby until 700 is 492. So in my opinion, you guys know I usually always say this. If the market were to sell off at any given time, it would probably be right now. All right? It'd probably be right now. Oh, actually, no, guys. Oh, wait. We're actually getting a very nice rejection here. Guys, these shorts could actually work out pretty well. Pretty well. Guys, if we get a green to red flip after the deal will sweep into an inverse with strong selling, that'll be beautiful. That'll be amazing. So yeah, we could definitely take something like that. When you take a trade using the 15-minute fair value gap, do you still watch the 5-minute time frame to scale contracts? It's the same thing. It's really the same, guys. You guys gotta keep in mind, the time frame doesn't change the way price moves. Price moves. My bad. So yeah, it doesn't really do anything. Your chart looks different. What do you mean?
Honestly, it's better if they even align.
Yeah. I mean, look. We have a 15-minute fair value gap here, 5-minute fair value gap right here. Very small piece there.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I really like when it aligns. Now, guys, I'm really hoping we get a bro, I lost my train of thought. Oh, green to red. My bad. After deal will sweep. The sooner the better. Your chart looks different. Oh, bro, you have. Wait. Oh yeah, no, you're just on the wrong time frame. Yeah, we're on the 15-minute. Oh, because you're trading M and Q or N and QM. Search up NQ, just regular NQ like this. Because what you're doing is you're trading the contracts. The contracts might have a little bit of a different price. Not super different, but you know what I mean? You can notice the difference. So just trade the regular NQ right here. Not this one. Trade this one. Or chart it, not trade it. Yeah, you're good. Now, how long do we give it for us to actually sell off, 25 points into an entry? I give it like 30 minutes with this volume. It feels late as hell. I mean, it is 11, bro. David, add some background music. Bro, I did that last time. I got fucking copyrighted on YouTube. So I gotta find some. But I'll do it for next stream. Yeah, if you guys do want that. So we chart regular NQ, not MNQ. Yeah, for charting, yeah, you do regular NQ, and then for trading, obviously you do MNQ. Yeah, I did that shit last time, bro. You guys know that like that girl that's always studying like in the room with music, dude. I thought it was not copyright, bro. I put it on, bro. I'm like, I promise you guys. One night I'm like, yo, what if I get monetized on YouTube? So I open up the monetization thing, bro. I have like 13 videos copyrighted. I'm like, what the fuck? From what? And it was the streams. It was that girl studying, bro. She fucking copyrighted me. Dumb as hell. So I have to take them down. Yeah, the lo-fi or lo-fi or whatever it's called. Yeah, yeah. Those are, yeah. Apparently, I didn't know, bro. How much money do you guys think that guy is making? That guy's making some serious money passively. He just has music just playing like a Spotify fucking playlist. I can send you some of my music to play. Just release a track called "Fuck the Charts." Yeah, bro. Let's keep it there, bro. Let's next question, guys. Give me a question. Give me a question. Bro, I am not listening to something called "Fuck the Charts," bro. With all respect, bro. Yeah, let's keep it unreleased, bro. Yeah. Bro. I joined late. Can you show me where you got the 943 liquidity? Yeah, of course. I'll go, like I said, go over to the higher time frame, like the 1 hour, zoom out, go back, and then it'll be the one level right here. This week on Friday, March 7th at 15, which is like 3 p.m. BST, around there. So right here. You would see it. You would see it. Bro.
David, imagine that was the bottom and I missed my long term.
What? What is it?
My long term for like a port.
What?
On NQ. I said,
Oh.
imagine that was the bottom, and I missed the whole fucking.
You haven't added?
No, I didn't add yet.
Yeah, you trying to add?
Oh yeah, obviously.
I already added.
I haven't.
Speaking of, oh, yo, nah, I'm getting too hyped up. I don't really give a fuck. But nah, guys. For those that don't know, guys, we ended up adding down here for the long term. Damn, my port might be making some money right now. I do want to add more. Guys, I might add more to my long term on April 2nd, depending on what the market does. Yeah, but right now I think I'm up like $700 on my investment, but I invested $30,000, so I don't know if that's too much for a $30,000 investment.
GG's.
Yeah, yeah, I'm risking $30,000 to make 700. That's what you call a good trade, bro. I wanted to add 1,200 at $52.10, but I said no. Bro, I added at 52.88. It was a little bit late, but it was there. Let me see. Server announcement. Rhythmic is currently experiencing outages. You know, nothing new. It happens like once every 2 weeks. Please do not trade and wealth charts are unaffected by this outage. Okay, cool. Yeah, nothing major. You ever consider having a wait, what? You ever consider having a nitrous 150-ish shot and tuned with a night? Wait, what? Nitrous could be safe if tuned correctly. Oh, you're talking about the CA. Oh, bro, I thought you were talking about the charge for a second, bro. I'm like, what? Nah, bro. I don't do racing like that, bro. I don't need nitrous. I'm not trying to die, bro. Also, I tried tuning the C8 and it's locked. They have to crack it. But yeah, send it overseas. Nah, but that's for BMWs. At least I think that's all I've heard for overseas. But because I wanted to get the flame. What is it called? The flame map on the C8. But my tuner said, yeah, the 2024 we can't do it just yet because it's not. They haven't cracked down on the ECU yet, so I have to stay stuck. You think I have time to go cat Wait, I think you have to go catalyst for flame tune. Yeah, but I can't tune it. That's the thing. I can go catalyst. That's not a problem. You know what I mean? That's not so hard. Um, it smells though. Yeah, it fucking stinks, bro. Bro, I promise you guys. I don't know if it's just me. Bro, every time there has not been a time where I go behind a BMW and it doesn't smell like absolute shit. Always, bro. I promise you guys, there has not been a time where I've gone behind a BMW, bro. No, look, I like BMWs. I love BMWs. But bro, everywhere, bro. I did. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm saying it's bad, but bro, they stink, bro. It's all the oil leaking. Nah, it's a tune. It's a tune that they have. I don't know what type of tune it is. Someone says a DP tune. I don't know what that is. Downpipes. Downpipes. Is it downpipes? For real? They make that smell? Maybe they're an E85. Hmm. Probably, yeah. Wait, E85 doesn't stink. Nah, it has to be the downpipe. Yeah, it is the downpipes. Does it smell like corn? A little bit, yeah. No, bro, it smells like fucking fossils, bro. That's what it smells like. It smells like burnt metals. That's the name what it is. It's always that, bro. Anyways, I literally told you guys how long do you guys think it's gonna take for us to dump down 20 points? It's been like what, like 15 minutes already? We've moved 5 points. Like, bro, look at the 5 minute. Look at the 5 minute, bro. Guys, if we get this trade, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it might be like yesterday, bro. It might be slow as hell. Next payout going, bro. I want to get an M3. I actually really do want one. More for drifting, more than anything. Hey, bro, it's expensive, bro. It's an expensive ass hobby. I'll tell you that. Nah, I don't really drift. I want something dedicated to it, so I don't really have to worry about it. But you need a Viper? Yeah, but I do, bro. We're not supposed to trade any. No, I'm not saying that we're not gonna trade. We have a setup and we have everything really, really good. It's just gonna take so long to play. I already know, bro, guys. I already know how it's gonna go. I already know how it's gonna go. Well, obviously, to build your own drift car, you need a car first. That's what I'm telling you. I want an M3. But bro, I want to have those cars that like you see like in Japan. You know what I mean? Like in like Fast and Furious. You know what I'm talking about with like the underglow, the wrap. Bro, yeah, yeah, I like that, bro. I like that. I don't want just like a beat up like 350Z or whatever. I don't want that. I want something like unique, stands out. You know what I mean? Like it's. But I'm also not trying to spend over $20,000 on a shit box. You know what I mean? So it's kind of, you know. A Z. Ah, bro, everyone has a Z over here, bro. Like I said, I want something unique. I want something where I can slap like okay, you guys know like in Fast and Furious, for example, where they have like those liveries where it's like with dragons and flowers and this and that. I want something like that, bro, with underglow, nice rims, meant for drifting. Beautiful, bro. I've always wanted something like that. I'm just not trying to drop fucking $20,000-$30,000 on something that's not gonna last me more than a year. You know what I mean? I'd much rather do something more smarter with that. Infinity? No. Okay, we're not doing Infinity. We don't even talk about Infinity over here, bro. Bro, every Infinity. Okay, look. If you guys look, when you guys were kids, did you guys ever? Oh, I got an email here. Did you guys ever what's it called like put what is it like you guys get an empty water bottle, you squish it, and then you put it at the back of your bike of the bike. That's what an Infinity sounds like, bro. It's horrible, bro. Horrible. They do look clean though. I do like how they look. I just don't like how they sound. It's way too much. Maybe it's a little bit too much. So you want to drip? Yeah, yeah. I prefer something like a BMW, like an old BMW, but I'm also not trying to drop a bag. Bro, you speaking of M8s, or actually no, I think it was M5s. Bro, they've been going down in price so much, bro. Like crazy. Like I feel like right now, if you guys were to buy BMW, bro, you guys would get a steal of a price. And by the way, C8s as well. Guys, no one in the world is buying C8s anymore. So they're discounting the price from the dealerships like crazy, bro. Look, I thought I got a good deal, which I did. Don't get me wrong, but they're going lower, bro. They're going lower and lower. No, C8s are not ass. Let's not get that confused. C8s, bro. I've been in a lot of cars, and I mean a lot of cars. Nothing beats a C8. It's not only is it a very very nice looking car, it's not mid, bro. It's not mid. Look, I'm not saying that because I'm biased. I'm literally being for real with you guys. It's a poor man's Ferrari. Yeah, well, yeah, you can consider it like that. I don't really care. But no, it's bro, it's a really comfortable daily. Like I know people that have Lambos and they're like, nah, like it's not comfortable. You know what I mean? Like they don't take it anywhere. But bro, no, C8s they're really comfortable dailies. And for the price, bro, not only are you getting the performance for the price, that's kind of it. I don't know where I was going with that. No, but it is worth it for the price, bro. That thing is not only is the car beautiful, not only is it fast, not only does it give you the performance, but it's also really comfortable. But here, you say this every fucking day, bro. 2. Yeah, exactly. 2.6 to 0 to 60 is crazy. I don't know why you guys are hating on it. Look, the C8 hate is way overrated. Or overhated, you could say. It's way too much. Way too much. It's an amazing car. Underrated? Yeah, underrated and overhated. You got buckets? Kind of, yeah, in a way. My seats are kind of like built like a bucket seat, but it's not really a bucket seat. I think it is. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it is. But yeah, no, guys. Like, look, if you guys look, if you've never been in a C8, before you guys hate on it and say like, oh, they're looking mid or whatever, guys, try it out, bro. Go to a dealership and try to. They're probably not gonna let you drive it because they're like, oh, it's a showroom car. But if you can drive it, bro. Yeah, it comes stock with buckets. Yeah. So yeah, I do have bucket seats. I was probably thinking about another seat, whatever. The seat does not look mid. That's what I'm saying, bro. It's like a beautiful ass car, bro. I don't know why people hate on it so much. The main reason I hear people hating on it so much is because it's a DCT. It's not manual. Like, bro, like who cares, bro? Like, bro, you just play with the fucking buttons, bro. But look, if you guys have never driven a C8, before you guys say that's bad, bro, try it out. I promise you guys, it will change your mind. I promise you guys. And try the launch control, because that shit still gets me to this day. R8? Okay, no. Now the R8. I like the R8. I really do. I don't see myself driving it. I don't think I like it enough to really drive it. It is a beautiful car. I'm not saying it's bad. But it's a beautiful car. It is a beautiful car. Now, my next car, I do want to get. I'm not gonna choose the C8. I want to get another car. For write-offs. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This year, I didn't really spend that much money, so most of my write-offs was because of the car. So thank God for that. Now I do want to get a fully built M4 this year. I know I just got a C8, but for content, bro, I want to get like, guys, I'm talking fully built M4, like fully built. I'm talking missing headlight. I'm talking everything, bro. Everything. Gonna run you over 100K. I know, bro, but look, if I never got the C8, I would have for sure gotten an M4. Now I tried out the C8 and I liked it a lot more than the M4 in every aspect. So I went for the C8, but the M4 is definitely my next car. Definitely. Like, bro, guys, you don't understand. David sounds like he's talking on the radio, bro. Honestly, I would be a pretty good radio host, bro. Not gonna lie about it, bro. Yeah, low-key, I would, bro. Unless you're street racing, bro. You're right, but nah, I do like the way it looks though. I do races here and there, but nothing crazy. But bro, I do want a fully built. Actually, bro, you don't need to do street racing for missing a light. That just gives you more air, more power, as you'd like to say. I know some fire car plugs. Well, I'm not getting it now, obviously, bro. I'm still in this car, bro. I got this car not even a year ago. But I like, bro. I want carbon hood. I want carbon everything. I wanna. You guys have you? Okay. What do you guys think about the wings for the M4s? Like the big wings. Like, look, let me show you guys. Hold up. Like, I'm not talking about like the duck lip that BMWs have. I I've always thought it was stupid to have a big wing on a BMW, but they're growing on to me. Let me show you guys. Like this. Oh wait. Like this. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. It's not ugly, right? It's not the best, but it grew on to me. I do like it. I do like it. Eh. I mean, look, when you have the car fully built out, honestly, it does look good. Now, one thing that I do want to do, if I were to ever get an M4, you guys know how it usually has the basic exhaust setup. What is it called? Hold on, BMW M4. It's like a triangle. You guys know what I'm talking, bro? I saw that one for the first time ever, bro, and I loved it, bro. I've never seen such a beautiful exhaust system, bro. Let me show you guys. Hold on. It's like a tri. Do you guys remember? Like, let me see. Triangle exhaust. I guess Google will know what I'm talking about. Yeah, they do. They do. Guys, look at this exhaust, bro. Dream exhaust, bro. Like, this makes a car complete as is. Look at this, guys. Tell me that does not look cool as hell. Tell me, guys. Tell me, bro. Not only is it unique, but that shit looks fire, bro. The wing is fire? Yeah, that's the same one that I showed you guys. Bro, I think that's aftermarket. Does that come from factory? Maybe it's a package. Maybe it is a package. Let me see. You should wait a year to see how reliable the S58 is. No. I want to get like an F80, F82 maybe. I don't like the G models so much, but I might go for them. It is a new thing. I don't know, bro. I like the old BMWs, man. Let me know what you guys think. Hold on. Look. Bro, guys, how long is it going to take for this race to actually fucking play out? We've been stuck in the same race for 30 minutes straight. Just yapping, bro. Okay. Okay, let me know in the chat, guys. Let me know in the chat, all right? Would you guys like what do you guys like more? Actually, let me put this picture. It looks way better. Okay. Would you guys like this one or this one? The G80 or the F80? Let me know in the chat. For me, bro, F80 all the way, bro. I don't know. Like, the right side, in my opinion, looks way better than the left side. Like, I guess maybe I'm used to it, but I know it's like an F80X or F8X, pretty much, just whichever model, F82, F80, whatever. Both are, yeah, obviously both are clean, but what would you guys choose? Honestly, bro, I would for sure go for this one any day of the week, bro. It just looks, it's just like you look at it, you know it's a BMW, bro. Like this one, it looks good. Like, I'm not saying it's ugly or anything, but I don't like the grill. I'd rather go for this, bro. It looks more aggressive. It looks more mean. I definitely like this one a lot more. It's more classy. You know what I mean? I definitely like it a lot more. Just showed us the best G80 ever. Yeah. No, the all black does go hard. My E90 M3. Damn, bro. What the hell, bro? What do you do, bro? What the hell? Bro, what do you do, bro? Bro, there's someone in here that has a fully spec'd out R8. Like, fully spec'd out. I don't know who it is. Bro's a trapper? Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. Bro, no, I don't know if he's still in the premium or not, but someone in here has a fully built, like, I'm talking fully built R8 in here. Like, what are you guys even doing in here? Is it actually you, Els? Are you trolling? I want to buy, bro. I want to get a bike too, but look, bro, I'm not dumb. I know how I drive. I know how I am. I saw I think it was you, AJ. Bro, that is clean, bro. Guys, look at that R8, bro. No, bro. I'm reading the chat, bro. It's just there's a lot going on. Bro, look, I would get a bike, but look, I'm not dumb. I know how I drive. I promise you guys, I something's gonna happen with that bike. I'm not as much as cool as it looks. I'm not getting one. I would literally kill myself with the bike. Yeah, I really would. I really would. I know it. I know it. I know it. I know how I drive, bro. I'm stupid with it. Definitely no bikes. No bikes for me. It looks cool. Look, I gotta give you. Look, if you guys ride bikes, I definitely have to give it to you guys. Like it's cool as hell. I'm sure they're fast and everything, but me, I'm not doing that. I really can't. Look, exactly. I mean, bro, look at that picture, bro. Matching helmet with the matching color. Like it looks cool. But nah, bro. I'm never getting one. I know how it's gonna end. It's way too dangerous. I already know how it's gonna end. Cause bro, look, I get ahead of myself, you know, one night, you know what I mean? I start speeding up in the highway like how I usually do, whatever, you know what I mean? And then shit happens, you know what I mean? I'm trying to avoid that. Honestly, bro, nah, bro, my bad, nah, bro. Honestly, that's pretty. I would choose that over like a Maybach. I'm not gonna lie to you. That shit has a whole ass kitchen inside and everything. That's fire. I like it. I do like that. I really do like that. Do you see yourself in a pickup? No, I do not like trucks. I've tried going onto trucks. I've tried driving my dad's truck and everything. Trucks are not for me, bro. All right, bro. It's not that I can't drive it. I just, bro, I don't know. I just, yeah, of course. I'm sure, bro. Every dad has a truck. It's like normal, bro. um, I don't know. I can't. I don't like trucks. They're too much. They're I don't know. I should cover it for bro. Bro, you got the car more recently, and you've already done more stuff to it than I have. A single for performance? A truck? Nah, hell no. Look, if I get a truck, it's definitely not gonna be for performance, like for going faster or anything. Truck looks Trucks look beefy, maybe too beefy. I don't like that. Bro, no, the one thing I don't like about trucks, bro, is bro, I'll be driving, bro, and these people have their fucking high beams like at the max high beam possible, bro. Like pointing at me, I'm like, bro, like turn that down, bro. Like, bro, I can't fucking see. You guys know what I'm talking? Like, bro, it's like blind. It's not even high beams, bro. It's blinding high beams, bro. Like, I would much rather look at the sun than look at those high beams, bro. That's how bright they are. Like, bro, look, if you're that type of guy, bro, look, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Look, bro, no one likes that shit, bro. Like, look, no disrespect. Like, I respect all builds and everything, but it's the lift exactly, bro. It's the lifted trucks, bro. Look, with all respect, bro, I like your build, I like your trucks, I like everything, but guys, turn off those fucking high beams, bro. No one likes that shit, bro. Please, and take it from someone that likes cars, bro. Please turn that shit off, bro. No one likes that shit, bro. Like, bro, it's blinding. I get it. You want to look cool. You want to blind everyone near you. But, bro, please, bro. No one likes that shit, bro. Exactly, bro. They specifically have the high beams at the level where it blinds everyone. You know what I mean? Bro, anyways, guys, I was about to say we're getting some selling, but we've only sold off like 5 points, bro. I think we're finally moving. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully. We've been waiting on the setup for like, what, like 15, 30, 45, almost an hour now. Waiting for the setup, bro. Nah, not for an hour. We took a liquidity right here. So we've been waiting for the setup for like 30 minutes. Bro, they know what they're doing. They're not stupid, bro. They know what they're doing, bro. Bro, Dib, I'm about to ban your ass, bro. Wait, what happened? Did you take an L? Bro, uncle, bro, I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay. Nah, bro, I was trolling. No one got banned. No one got banned. All right, guys, we are getting some selling. We're finally breaking these lows now. Can we actually finally hold this so we can get a trade going, bro? Please. We've been waiting for this for so long, bro. It better play out as well, bro. It better play out. But no, we are getting some pretty strong selling pressure. All we have to do is sell off 10 points, and we can find an entry there. So we'll see what forms here. We will see what forms. Hopefully we don't get chopped out. This is painful. The nervous yawn a little bit. Nah, I am tired though. I got like 4 hours of sleep around there. So the tiredness is catching up a little bit, but all right, let's see, guys. We are getting some selling pressure. We are currently inside of the fair value gap. Now, I don't know. Actually, no, never mind. I was gonna say I don't know if I want to enter off an inverse or off the sweep below London, but I'm gonna do it off the inverse because we already took out the sweep at 492, so it's not even super important anymore. The London one, at least. But yeah, let's see, guys. Let's see what we can cook up here. Hopefully, we get an impulsive selling candle into 550s, 450s. I would say 450s. Around there, and then we go from there. Now ES on the other hand, it doesn't really seem like it has anything stopping us from going any lower. Yeah, nothing too crazy from what I'm seeing. So we definitely have room to go lower as long as the selling is there. It could take some time. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But I'm really hoping we get very strong selling to kick in. Really hoping. Because I do want to see this play out at least into like 421. That'd be amazing. But everything checks out. I'm sure you guys know the setup. Before you guys say, "Oh, I don't like the setup," or "Why did I take it? I didn't even like it," guys. The reason behind the setup is obviously we have. Let me see if I have time to explain it. We have DOL sweep. We took it out. We're going back down. Selling pressure kicking in. Inverse rally gap. Rooms to go lower. All right, the usual setup. All right. So let's see what we can cook up here. So far, we are selling off a little bit. Nothing crazy, but let's see, guys. Let's see. Hopefully it is something good. Hopefully it is something good here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, so far we are still holding this fair value gap. We are holding the midpoint of it, which we could get a little bit of a bounce here, but we need more selling. We need more selling to obviously inverse this. So once we get that, we'll go ahead and take the entry. But for now, a little bit of patience. A little bit of patience. Any reason for ES or NQ to go higher? From the looks of it, not really. We took out literally the final level of liquidity that we have to the upside, which is at 492, and ES also is sweeping this London high up here. And we're selling off into probably this London low if we have room to it. I would say 812 first, but yeah, I do see us going lower. Definitely a lot lower. A lot lower. So we just need to inverse this 5 and 15-minute gap here. Once we do that, we should be good to go. But the thing is, I don't want to inverse it just because we go below it. I want to inverse it if we get strong selling pressure, which we're getting right now in the 5-minute. So let's see what we can cook up here. All right, guys. Let's see. All right, guys, pay attention here. We're about to enter some sorts here. Let's see what fill we can get. So far, I'm not in yet. I'm waiting for some more aggressive selling, which we're getting right now. It seems like on Tradevate. So let's see. So far, we're still holding above the gap, so nothing crazy just yet. But pay attention. Pay attention. All right, guys. I'm in shorts. We just got the break below 54. I'm in shorts. I'm gonna go ahead and place my stop loss over here at 487. 487 is my stop. All right, guys. 487. What did I get filled at? 454. 454.25. All right, bet. But yeah, obviously you guys know the reason behind this. Now, one thing I am gonna warn you guys about is this trade will more than likely take a little bit of some time to actually play out. So please be patient. You know what I mean? And just stick to the rules. If you guys don't like the sizing, or not the sizing, the speed of the volume and everything, you can always size light. All right, guys. So yeah, handle your own risk as always. But me personally, I do like this trade. I do believe we have room to go lower, but it could take some time. So be ready to sit on this live for some time now. All right, guys. I really do believe it's gonna take some time. Maybe it's gonna be like yesterday. Hopefully, it's not a 2-hour long trade. But yeah, we'll see. We will see. Get this out real quick. There you go. Yeah, obviously now all we need to do is obviously break, like really push below this. I would say we got a if you guys enter right now, you guys got a really nice fill because we didn't enter way too far away from the fair value gap. We actually entered right at the inverse from it. Now obviously all we need now is for more sellings to kind of step in, which like I said is probably gonna take some time. All right, it is probably gonna take some time. But you guys see right here, yes, it's trying to break new lows here, so NQ should start inversing this very, very soon. All right. Now in the meantime, let me go ahead and write some stuff up to get it prepared, so we can go from there. All right, guys. All right, there you go. All right, let me get some of the chat. Not enough volume for me. Yeah, look, if you guys don't like the volume, obviously you guys do not have to take this. Now, if you guys are in, what's your stop loss? My stop loss is over at 487. 487. So let me kind of put this here right here. 487. There you go. But yeah, if you guys don't like the volume, obviously you guys do not have to take it. All right. Me personally, I'm gonna risk a little bit. You know, the volume is a little bit out of, you know, a little bit questionable. But I do like the setup that we're seeing. I do like the way, you know what I mean, we're moving. And I definitely do believe we have a lot more room for lower. So obviously, I'm gonna be trading into that. All right, guys. Let me see. I'm waiting to get past for price to get past 454. Yeah, if you can always do that as well. You always do it. One the 15 minutes today because the 5-minute does not have a setup. The 5-minute has absolutely nothing. So obviously you guys know when we don't have anything on the 5-minute, we always have to resort over to the 15-minute, and we work off something from there. All right, guys. Now, if the volume does move a little bit slow today, guys, I'm gonna consider trimming very heavily, very quick. If we see 25, 30 points, I'll take most out and just hold the rest risk free because that's probably what's gonna work out today. All right. We have a lot of room for lower. Yeah, but the volume, yeah, that's the problem. That I do like the setup. Like I said, I really do like the setup. And we definitely have a lot of room for lower. We have literally all the room in the world for lower. We just need the right volume and the right momentum to the downside. All right, guys. So we'll see what we can cook up there. All right. But whether the setup plays out or not, all right, I don't want to hear anyone complaining, oh, the setup, I didn't like it, blah, blah, blah. You guys have the choice to take it or not. All right. Because it always happens. It always happens. Why stop 47? Is it this? No, 47? It's because it's the candle rejection right here. The 15-minute rejection right here. So I just put it at that high real quick. Bro, Mikey, don't start, bro. Not mid-trade, bro. Not mid-trade. Not mid-trade. Guys, I just ran out of water. I'm going to go fill it up. If we do sell off, obviously, manage your own position, which obviously we're selling off right now. Manage your own position. I got to go fill up on water because I keep talking and my mouth's getting really dry. So I'll be back. All right? Manage your own position. All right, guys? If we sell off. Wait, actually, can the water wait? Oh, my God. Can the water wait? Yeah, I'll rush it. I'll be back, guys. Hold up. Stay here. Yeah, I'll be back. Hold up. Let me take my phone just in case I have to sell. All right, I'm back. Yeah, no, guys, this trade is gonna take forever, bro. Be ready for that, guys. Be ready for that. Bro, I didn't even notice I asked you guys to stay here. But yeah, bro, this trade is gonna take forever, bro. Plus lunch hour soon, bro. Nah, but if we have to hold it, we'll hold it. I don't mind. Bro, guys, don't start with the blowing accounts. Don't start with the trolling, bro. Save it for after the trade, bro. It's jumping around, volume coming in. I haven't. I went to go get water, so I didn't see what happened. But hopefully we can get some very nice selling pressure to kick in very soon. Thing is, the only thing is we don't have that many price targets to the downside. Like we do, but they're far. So I want to see at least 30-ish points on NQ. At least the bare minimum. Minimetsu is hard, bro. That's so real, bro. That's so real. Like, bro, when anytime the trade goes up, guys, and you guys hear me go quiet, I don't know what to say. And that picture says it all, bro. It's a lack of volume due to a lack of news. No, we have news today. It's just lack of volume because the market's just choppy. It happens. You know what I mean? It's just market cycles. You know, some weeks are good, some weeks are bad. You know? Bro, Adrian. Did you go light? No, I'm in full. Doesn't mean that you guys have to go full. You know what I mean? Do as you like to trade. But yeah. Can Trump just stop? No. We don't need Trump to trade right now, bro. That happened yesterday, bro. A 2-hour long trade. It got stopped out in 2 seconds, bro. Because of Trump. I'm not trying to do that, bro. Yeah, no, I already know this trade is gonna take literally forever to play out, bro. I already know it. We might be on the live throughout the entire lunch session. Obviously, as long as we hold below, you know what I mean? I'll say, yeah, of course. I mean, I would hope so. You know what I mean? But anyways, let me see. Now, we can still keep talking. I mean, like I said, guys, this trade is gonna take literally forever. So, you know, in the meantime, we can always distract ourselves. Keep getting water. We were just in profit, bro. The water shit just keeps going, bro. You guys have been saying that shit for like fucking 6 months now. David, you still go with bigger stops on choppy days? Yeah. If anything, on choppy days, your stops should be a little bit bigger. You just size a little bit less. It just gives you more room to cut out the bullshit, pretty much. That's how pretty much straight up I could put it. Bro. It's already starting, bro. Someone's saying I should have just taken the profits at 5 points. Bro, don't start already, bro, please. Like, just let the trade play out. Just give us some time, bro. It's just very slow market. We know we have room to go lower. Just let it play out, my man. Let it play out. I've noticed you talk a lot like hindsight, bro. Just relax, bro. Relax. Let the trade do its thing. Let the trade do its thing, bro. That was 490? No. 487. 487. It's right here. It's on the screen, guys. 487 is my stop loss. Why is David talking like this today? Bro, I'm energetic today because honestly, I didn't sleep so much and I feel good. I feel good. Yeah, look at that guy. All right, just like that, we're getting a very nice sell-off. You know what I mean? Just relax, bro. Relax. Let the trade play out. We have price targets for a reason. All right, bro. Because like, look, if I feel like I say this every single time. You know what I mean? All right, let's see if we can break this candle low right here. We are getting some very strong on trade of 8. The selling pressure is kicking in here. So not too bad. Like I said, guys, I want to take trims at around 30-ish points, which is practically at PT1. You know what I mean? Now, how hard can it actually be to dump down 30 fucking points? Right? I mean, with today's market, it's a whole mission, but we'll see. His girl had him awake. Nah, bro, I was playing CS. I got back into it. Speaking of, a little bit off topic here. Does anyone here play CSGO or CS2? You could say. I play night. Okay. What was I gonna say, bro? For some reason, the skin market, bro. I remember back then when I used to play CS:GO, bro. Bayonets were like 400, 500. You know, maybe 700 for a good one. Now it's $800 for a fucking safari mesh, bro. I tried buying a knife yesterday, and I was on CS Money. I'm like, what the fuck? What happened to these prices, bro? It's overinflated. Overinflated, bro. So look, if you guys have any knives in here, that obviously you guys don't want, look, let me buy it. I'm looking for a Crambit, butter knife, not butter knife, butterfly, or an M9. So if you guys have one, hit me up. I'll buy it from you guys. All right. A butter knife. Yeah, a butterfly knife. What's your rank? I used to be face it 10, and I'm not gonna say I was global. I was near global. I didn't really play matchmaking that much. Yeah, bro, I have like 3K hours on the game, bro. I just quit back then because I got bored of it. But I tried it out yesterday. It was pretty fun. So I'm getting addicted to it again. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me, but bro, do you play Valorant? Bro, fuck no. The game sucks, bro. Valorant is bro. Valorant turned into like a dating game. Like it's literally a dating game, bro. It's horrible, bro. It's you can't, bro. You can't solo queue on that game, bro. It's horrible. It's horrible. Someone said Age of Empires, bro. Get out of here, bro. Bro, no one is playing that shit, bro. Bro, you can't be for real, bro. Bro, guys, I'm already warning you guys, bro. Get ready to hold this position for minimum an hour, bro. Minimum an hour, guys. Bro, this trade is gonna take so long. Like I said, the trade, I'm not saying it looks bad. It's just the volume is really, really fucking slow right now, bro. So be ready, guys. Be ready. But yeah, look, if you guys do have something that you guys do want to sell to me over on CS, guys, hit me up. I'll buy it. I'll buy it.
LOL.
Yeah, but I mean, I got a plug where I got a plug, bro. You don't, bro. Crap, you don't understand, bro. The skin market in that game, bro, overly inflated, bro. Like prices near fucking tripled, bro. But I'm pretty sure as the player base expands, obviously so does the market. So more money to be made. But I didn't scam no one on Save the World, bro. Does it make you better or just nah? It's just a skin. It makes you feel better. For me personally, I feel better when I play with skins. You know what I mean? So yeah, in a way, yeah. Unboxing stream, bro. Low key, that's not a bad idea, bro. Do fan mail, bro. Speaking of, bro, guys, I'm sure you guys don't really care. Bro, KP made me like a 3D printed thing of my name, but it's fucking sick, bro. So KP, if you're in here, bro, thank you, my man. Thank you. Yeah, bro. Bro, look. I already knowing 99% of you guys in here. If I do fan mail or not, I don't see you guys as fans, bro. Like, I don't want to say fan mail, but if I do like those mail opening streams, bro, I already know at least 3 people are gonna send me glitter bombs, bro. Bro. I'm like, oh guys, what is this? I'll fucking open this glitter bomb, bro.
Bro, that's light, bro. They're gonna send some crazy shit.
Bro, they're gonna send elephant shit, bro. They're gonna you know those websites that you can order shit to someone's house? It fucking stinks, bro. I was gonna do it to my friend. Bro, it's like $50, bro.
If you have like a red trade and they all just send you like,
bro, no, bro, I already know, bro. Someone's gonna think it's funny to send me a glitter bomb. I'm gonna have glitter everywhere, bro. That's why I don't do the mail opening things, bro. I already know how that's gonna go. Dude, that is disgusting, bro. I'm gonna send David something serious for that trade that we took yesterday. Bro, that trade wasn't my fault, bro. It was there. It was good. Remember when everyone was doing clothing brands? What happened? No, don't ask me. I don't do clothing brands, bro. I never liked that. Super oversaturated. And the reason I'm saying it's super oversaturated is everyone has the same fucking design, bro. I'm never gonna get started with clothing brands. It's the same design, bro. At least it was back then, bro. Everyone would have that star in the middle of the zip up, and then what else? What else? It'll be the skeleton. Everyone had that. Bro, everyone does everything, bro. It's the same shit every single time, bro. Like, bro, please be unique. But the thing, guys, I don't like how ES is selling off, breaking a bunch of new lows when NQ's just there, bro. Like what the, bro? We chose the wrong one again, bro. The airbag lettering, exactly, bro, exactly. Like, bro, I've seen it all, man. And then they're like, oh, guys, we're super special, we're super limited, and like, bro, you copy your design off some Instagram account, bro. Like, come on now, bro. And look, if you guys do it here, look, I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but like, come on, guys, let's have some what is it? Like, let's be original. You know what I mean? Like, it's all the same hoodies, just with a different color and a different name. The same logo, just different name. Bro, guys, I don't like how NQ is trying to sell off, and ES is selling off like crazy. Bro, we chose the wrong one to trade, bro. Bro, you can't make this up, man. We literally chose the wrong one, bro. Look at this. We're selling off and NQ's doing nothing, bro. No. Bro, we need NQ to wake up, bro. We have the right bias. We have the right setup. We have everything. But no. Man, this is going to take forever, bro. I already know, man. I already know. Well, I mean, we're already in it. We might as well deal with it. NQ playing too much? Literally, bro. Like, bro, look. Selling, right? New lows and everything, right? Look, straight selling. Look at NQ. Same spot, bro. Same spot. Bro. You can't make this up. But it's whatever, man. It is whatever. We just gotta wait it out. You know what I mean? But yeah, I managed to scalp $400. What? How much did you size? $400. I'm assuming you did about 20 contracts, because right now the most I saw was like 150 on the day, 160. So you should be up like you did like 20 contracts. Don't lie to us, bro. But definitely did 30 contracts. I did two. Yeah, exactly. 2 minis. You did 2 minis. But yeah. David, I'm in 40 minis. Bro, today is not the day to do 40 minis, bro. Today is not the day. Bro, we need NQ to wake up here, bro. ES is selling off when NQ's is flat, bro. Like, why? Dude, it looks like we're selling off a lot. We've only sold off 11 points. Are you being for real right now? Bro, today's market is so bad, bro. I mean, not bad. It's just slow. I mean, it's doing its movements. You got to give it that. But damn, bro. Damn. Hold on. There you go. Anyways, okay. Bro, 30 points is all that. Bro, 30 points. Bro, even asking, bro, 30 points is nothing on NQ. And asking for 30 points today is asking like for a 100-point trade, bro. That's really what it is. You already know that's gonna take forever, bro. Let me see. Please don't get a new keyboard. I love how you abuse it, bro. Oh my, holy candle flip. Okay. Guys, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Yeah, I mean that was a really nice 5-minute candle flip right here. We'll take it. Not too bad. Now, guys, if I see like 350 in profit, I might take some scales and just adjust my position. How are you guys doing? Did you guys trim yet, or are you guys still holding? Keep bitching, David. All right, bro. You're not saying like that, bro. Come on now, bro. You're still holding? All right, guys. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I kind of want to start taking profits around. I know we haven't moved. I know. But I'll probably take profits at like around 20 to 25 points. I don't know about 30 points, because this thing is slow as hell. Really slow. Like NQ's just fucking stuck there, bro. And the thing is, yes, is bro, look at this new lows. Oh wait. I was gonna scale, but not yet, not yet. Not too bad though. We saw what 20 points. Not in a market like today. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. I was gonna take skills, but not yet. Not yet. At least for me. I'm gonna wait for if we can get another green to red flip here back into these lows on here. I'll take the scale. But hopefully you guys took something. We saw 20 points. Like I said, try to take something quick today. Obviously the market is slow, so take what you can and just closing my shit before I get FOMO, bro. I'll see you tomorrow, my man. I'll see you tomorrow. Trim at 20 is criminal, bro. What can I tell you, bro? What can I tell you, bro?
No, it's not.
It's really not. Yeah, bro. It's profit. It's profit. You know what I mean? But what can bro? Look at you see the market, bro. You see the market. But yeah, guys, if we break new lows, which we're oh my god, we just did. I want to break this low right here so I can take the trim. I'm gonna do 7 off out of 10. Bro, I just added instead of trimming. Bro, you got lucky that we went right back down, bro. Let's see if I can find the scale here, guys. I want to break below 435. I really want to see 435. There it is. All right, guys. I trimmed right now. Oof. There it is, guys. There it is, baby. All right, guys. I took most of my... most. I took 7 off here. Enter now. Nah, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Leave the voice chat, bro. Leave the voice chat, bro. Nah, but guys, I took some trims off, all right? I took 7 off. All right, so I'm holding 3 contracts. I am holding 3 contracts now. All right, guys? How many points was that? That was 25, right? Yeah, I can round it up. All right, bet. Let me put that alert out. But yeah, hopefully you guys got the scale there. Now, I don't know. I know some people are probably going to move their stop loss to break even. And I know you guys are probably wondering, hey, should I do break even stop loss? I'm not going to say do break even, but you could definitely scale it down a little bit. Like you could lower your stop loss just to de-risk something out of the position. All right, guys. So if you guys don't like risking too much, you guys don't want to get back some profits, nothing wrong with you know what I mean? With moving it a little bit lower. All right, I'm not going to say do break even until we see PT1. All right. But yeah. Let's go. I trimmed at 30 points. Oh, maybe you got a better entry than me. I don't know what fill you got. But yeah. Now, I know this trade has been going crazy or anything, but guys, like I said, take what you can today. Take what you can today. Obviously, I'm not saying that the trade is going to stop now. Hopefully not. You know what I mean? I hope we go lower to PT1 at least. But yeah, take what you can today. You guys obviously are seeing the market live with me. There's over 463 of you guys in here and over 70 people on YouTube. Guys, you guys see the market. It is slow as hell. Take what you can and do not get greedy because greed is what kills you in this market. All right. Could we have entered off the 5-minute gap at 1040? 1040. What do we have at 1040? Yeah, man, we pretty much entered off that, technically. Yeah. 1040 and then the 15-minute gap as well. Yeah, same exact thing. What are these 5-minute? That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. I know right now, I know we're taking scales at 25 points, whatever. But you guys got to take what you can today and don't let greed get you because one little choppy move and you're out of the trade. All right, guys? So take what you can. Once the market recovers, we'll be back to catching these 100-point trades. But for now, we got to compound our wins and, you know what I mean? We get that. All right, guys? That's the goal here. All right? Actually, let me adjust my stop loss here. I might move my stop loss over to. I want to do 468, but that's only 20 points away. I also don't want to be risking so much. But the thing is, I won't even make that much off the trade at the same time. So I don't know if I want to keep the same stop loss and just give the trade more room to breathe. Obviously, we do have room to go lower. Yeah, I'll probably just do that. I mean, it's 3 contracts. It's not going to be the end of the world. Yeah, I'll just keep it at 47 for now. But the second time I've done that, done what? I accidentally bought more. I'm out, David. I made $600, bro. Congrats, bro. We'll take it. If you're out, bro, call it a day. Don't get caught up in this chop anymore. Just come back tomorrow. All right, man. Up $8. Beautiful. You know, like I said, I feel like break even is way too early. It's not bad to do break even, but I mean, we only saw a 25-point push down. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. So that's why I'm still keeping my stop loss up there at 47. And I still believe we have room to go lower. So once you see, if we can see 420 around there, I'll take maybe 2 contracts off and just hold one for the rest of the day for some lunch money. You know what I mean? Great. Yeah, green to red. That's actually beautiful, actually. Bro, rip to the people that got stuffed out of break even, bro. Bro. You guys were the liquidity, man. Nah, jokes aside, bro. Hopefully we're able to break this low. Guys, I want to see, I'll be happy. I'll be happy with 420. That's all I asked for. That's all I asked for, bro. 420. That's all I asked for, bro. It can't be that hard. It can't be that hard. That's like 20 points. Literally 20-point push down. 25 points. Can't be that hard, bro. But yeah, trim for $100, risking 280. Yeah, not bad. Not too bad. Remember, today's market is slow, so take whatever you guys can and be grateful for it. Once the market recovers, we'll be back to making money. We're making good money. We're still making money, but I mean, take my 300. Bro, part of me wants to take it and just call it, bro. A part of me wants to take these last 3 contracts and just call it, but I do want to give the trade its room to breathe and just go on. Now, yes, might be retracing into this small gap here, so I don't know. Yeah, 5 points. All right. I'm rich, bro. Thanks. Going to the Lambo store, bro. Taking my $300 for the day. Yeah, bro. I don't blame you. I actually really want to take my 250 and just call it. Today's market is really fucking slow. Take off 2 and let it run. Yeah, honestly, bro, you're not even wrong. But bro, we're gonna have a 30-point price target. It won't even be that much. I'll just risk it. I don't know if you guys want to risk it with me. Does volume die down more during lunch hour? Yeah, that's what it's known for. Yeah. We got the McDonald's formation on ES. Do we actually? Bro, we do. We actually do, bro. Bro. So yeah, my stop loss is still at 47. Yeah. But I'm still holding. Now I do want to take 2 off at 420. But it's like, bro, we're never gonna see this level, bro. It's so slow. 20 points. It's not that hard to sell off 20 points. 4 pointing the McDonald's setup. Yeah. Yeah, it's literally there. Look. Now you know what we need? We need a little magnet. Can never go wrong with the magnet strap. There you go. Krabby's so quiet. Bro, Krabby, what are you doing, bro?
Bro, you're in a trade. I'm not gonna like.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna lie, bro. When you're in the trade, bro, I feel like I yap a lot, bro.
When I'm in one?
Yeah. Are you ever like, bro, I just hope this kid shut the fuck up?
No.
No, I'm just kidding. Wait, do you guys ever just no? Instead of asking Krabby, do you guys ever just want me to like just shut up? I feel like I talk too much sometimes. I'll be watching like the recaps of the trade, and like, bro, I don't even take a breath, bro. Fun as well. All right. It keeps entertaining. All right, we'll keep it going.
Bro.
You saw that too, right?
Bro.
You saw that too, right? Someone said, "Keep talking. I'm almost there." All right, bro.
Bro.
All right, bro. Don't change. Bro, I don't change for anyone, bro. Trust. Dude, this 5-minute, guys, look at the 5-minute. Oh my. Just guys, look, and Q, all I ask for, look, if you can hear me,
Give me 420 and I'll be happy. That's all I ask for. 420. That's it. That's all I ask for.
David, somebody said do a 1K to 10K challenge.
Yeah, right, bro. I'm not doing that shit. Bro. Bro, why would I give up making the money to prove a challenge, bro? Do you get what I'm saying? Like, why would I give up what I'm making to make nothing? You know what I mean? Or not as much. Not as much.
Dude, you're gonna be making like $100 a day for like a month.
Bro, literally, bro. I'm not doing that shit, bro. Bro, I remember one time I did a $50 challenge and I felt that shit like a day. Bro, I was like, bro, when I used to do options, I did, oh no, it was $100. I was doing 100 to 1,000. Bro, I was like, I'm like, guys, we're gonna run this up. We're gonna get $1,000, 1,000% every day. Bro, the market opened the next day. 10 minutes in, I blew the account.
Dude, you can't do anything with $100.
Nothing, literally nothing. Let alone. Okay, bro, do you believe that Alex G actually turned $100 to $1 million?
No.
Bro, guys, he owns his own broker, bro. It's not hard to let the market move and then you edit your fills to where it looks like you caught it, bro. It's not that hard. It's really not. I can do that too. You know what I mean? Think about it, bro. No, he didn't, bro. Metro. No, he didn't, bro. Bro, don't get me mad, bro. Don't get me mad, bro. All that is BS, bro. Don't fall for that, bro. Bro, don't get me mad, bro. Don't get me mad. Bro, did you guys not see what I sent maybe like a month ago? No, you probably don't remember. Guys, okay, look, I probably should. No, I'm not going to say on live. It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
So.
Yeah. Bro, I got a big mouth, bro. Hater? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Look, bro, I'm trying to help you, but look, all right, bro. I'll send you the proof later once I get off live. All right, bro. Trust me, it's something, bro. Danny Trades did 50 cents to 2 billion in 1 month. Yeah. 77? What's a 77? What are you talking about? 77. What? You know? Oh, yeah. I know exactly what you're talking about, bro. Yeah, it took me some time. Yep. Like, if you know, you know. If you know, you know, bro. David, can you fix the shop? I got you, bro. Hold up.
I'm actually cringing really bad. I swear to God. You know who that reminded me of?
Zayn. Bro. Yeah, why are we going up? Nah, real shit though. Like, bro, this market is choppy as fuck. Can we re-enter? No. Look, if you get your trims, bro, that's it. Call it.
Bro.
I tried following every trade. Started with 400, lost it all. Bro, because look. He just alerts the highs of the contracts. I don't even think he holds them for himself. Because you know how he sends the picture of like the stocks and all that stuff? He never shows what he's holding. He just shows the price of the stock. So I don't think he holds them himself. You know what I mean? Bro, such a boring market, bro. David, how should I ask out fine shit? I got you, bro. Are you talking Instagram or in person? Because I'm good with Instagram, bro. I'm not good with in person asking out. You know what I mean? I get nervous. But on Instagram, bro, I'm a demon, bro. Oh, bro, I'm not even gonna read that. I don't even think I can read that on YouTube, bro. How not David's pickup lines? Bro. No, that's true. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I'm a little bit. Anyways, bro, this pullback, bro. Honestly, bro, I kind of want to take off 2 contracts, like near break even, and just hold one, bro. I don't even care how much I make. I might just do that. I don't know if you guys want to follow on. I just don't want to risk so much behind this. So if we can get this back to break even, I'll scale 2 at break even. I don't know today. Wait, someone said it here in the chat. Sorry, bro. I just got here. May I ask how much you are in for today? What? What do you mean? What do you mean, my brother? Well, how do you guys feel? Guys, should we take 2 off and then we just hold 1 for I don't know, because I don't want to I don't want to go from green to red on the day. The trade is still. I like the trade. Don't get me wrong. I still do like the trade. It's just the volume, bro. Like a part of me just wants to take profits and just secure that guaranteed add. Bro, get out of here, bro. I'm not adding. What do you mean add, bro? I'm not adding to it.
Just add, bro.
All right, bro. But yeah, how do you guys feel? Should we do that? You added 2 contracts, bro.
Oh no.
Oh hell nah, bro. That's on you guys, bro. That's on you guys. Bro, but like I actually want to take out 2. Oh,
Bro, David, okay, David. Next expansion, just do break even and let it ride.
Yeah, literally. Yep.
So if we expand below this low here that we created, just do break even.
Yep, I might just do that. Cause like, bro, like you get what I'm saying, Krabby? Like, bro, the worst feeling is having a green trade, having green trims or scales or whatever, and then the trade goes red because of the runner. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to do that.
They won't go red, but you'll just be down like.
Yeah, I'll be break even. I'm not trying to. I'm up 3 bands on the day. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to give that back. So, dude, this never happens. I never like second guess like whether I should trim or not. It's just a volume, bro. This volume has everyone acting different, bro. Like I want to de-risk 2 and just hold 1 for like just that extra take profit. You know what I mean? Because bro, you say an expansion, but bro, an expansion in this market is like, it's like asking for fucking, I don't know. You get what I'm saying? Like it's asking for too much. Like bro, we've been stuck at the same price for like what? Like let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes, 40 minutes pretty much. We've been stuck at the same price for 40 minutes, bro. So actually asking for an expansion into this price target is like asking for too much. So I don't know. I'll probably just hold it. How many accounts you running? 10 accounts. And then later today, I might stack up on some take profit accounts. Maybe. I gotta look into it. What time is it? It's already 12:15. Hold up. You saw I never had top accounts. No, I never bought them. Guys, in fact, the hour that I was gonna buy the top accounts, they released all the new rules. And I'm like, hell no, I'm not doing that shit. So I just didn't buy them. Bro, what are you talking about in the chat? What the hell?
Holy chop! I'm about to go to bed.
Bro, I wish. Stuck in this stupid ass fucking price action, bro. All right, guys. If we break this candle low right here, the 5 minute. If we break this, oh, we're literally breaking it right now. I'm just gonna scale the 2 hour and just hold 1, and then just hold that for the rest of the trade. All right, yeah. All right, I scaled 2 out, guys. I scaled 2 out. I don't know. I just with the way the volume is moving, guys. I'm just gonna hold 1, and then just let it hit the price target, and then yeah. Yeah, guys, I scaled some out. You guys, if you guys haven't scaled out, make sure you do so. I don't know. I just the risk that we're putting on right now. I didn't like it. I didn't like. Keep in mind, I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade. I just don't want to hold so much and just give back the profits that we made. Because what we made today is actually pretty good for a market like today. Very very slow. Not too bad. Not too bad. So yeah, guys, I took 1 out. And I'll just hold this final one for like PT1, trail the stop loss, PT2, trail the stop loss, and so on. Should I sell my last con? If you're in 1,
Just do break even.
yeah, just do break even and just hold it till PT1. At least PT1. Bro, bro, like how long does shit take, bro? Stops at break even. Yeah, not bad, Anna. Not bad. Now, like the thing is, I don't move my stops to break even this fast. Or this, we've barely moved. That's the problem. We've barely moved because of the volume. Don't get me wrong, we have the right reading, we have everything. It's just the volume is so dead, bro. Okay, let's see if we can see PT1. All right, we're getting these candle breaks here. Let's see, guys. Let's see. We're getting some very strong selling pressure. Can we get it though? Maybe the magnet is working. All right, bro.
Bro, 20 more minutes. You've been in this trade for an hour.
You're lying.
Yeah.
Bro, it has not felt like an hour. It's actually for like 20 minutes, maybe. Have you released a video on time? I do, bro. Yeah. Here, let me send it over to you. Okay, Joe, real quick. In the server, right? Go over to class recordings right here. And then it'll be the video right here. The taxes question. I literally cover it. It's like I yap for like a whole hour on taxes, bro. So yeah, right here. Check it out. It's in class recordings. All right. Now we gotta log back in because the trade is dumping down a little bit. Oh, never mind. It looks like it is, but it's not. All right, cool. Dave, hey, thank you, bro. Thank you. Hey, bro. I mean, is it Audrey or Adri? Bro, we're trading, bro. Like, I'm not just gonna give away the accounts just yet, bro. I'm gonna do it today. I already told you guys. Yes, we're gonna be giving away the 10 accounts, but obviously I gotta finish the live trading first. You know what I mean? That's why you guys are here. Gotta move around the magnet. You're right. Let's see if this works. David, I need them accounts, big bro. Should I do spin? Should I do it with the bot? How do I enter the giveaway? Okay, here. Let me send it over to you guys. 1 second. Literally, all you have to do is I'm gonna be picking out the comments from this video right here, and then I'll just pick your name out, and then oh my god, we're dumping finally, bro. After a whole fucking hour, bro, or like 40 minutes, bro. We didn't even see the price tag. We just saw a new low, bro.
Bro, David, we made a
broke-
new low by 3 points.
We broke the low by 4 points, bro.
Wow.
How exciting, bro. How exciting. How much we're going to pull right back up for the next 30 minutes, bro. How exciting, bro. Wow. What a good market. What a good and highly profitable market, guys. Wow. Yeah, we're just going to go right back up. I already know it. How long are you going to hold? Until I don't know. I don't know, bro. Like, as long as I have to. What can I do to bulk up? Creatine, bro. Creatine. Best thing I've done. Let me scoop, bro. But yeah, no, creatine works like a charm, bro. I love creatine. How do we answer the giveaway? Guys, go over to my here, 1 second. Let me send it to you guys. Guys, go over to this video right here and just comment something down, and then that's how I'm gonna pick out the winners. All right. Oh, I have to record my video today. Oh shit, bro. I have a lot of stuff to do today. I have to record the video on the continuation models. What kind of accounts are you getting? I'm giving away 10. Okay, wait. Should I give away 10 accounts to one winner or one account to 10 winners? How should we do it? What do you guys want? 10 to 1? Oh, wait. Let me do a poll. Because I feel like, I don't know. Hold on. What should we do? Okay, so it will be 10 accounts to one winner or 10 winners to 10 accounts. No, wait, no. 1 account to 10 winners. 1 account to 10 winners. Bet. All right, guys, go react while we wait for this trade. Guys, go react over in live trading. Let me see what you guys want. I'm gonna do the giveaway based off whatever you guys want. All right, guys. I'll put it out once you see like 100 votes or so. I'll do it. I'll show the results, and then we go off whatever it is. How do you, bro? I just said it. You go to this video and then you just comment down. That's it. You go to this video and then you just comment on the video. That's it. All right. 600 accounts per second. Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I don't have that much money. Looks like the post 50. Let me see. Oh, one account to 10 winners. Okay. Is that what you guys want? Well, obviously that's what you guys voted for. Okay. Bet. Yeah, we could do that. Yep. I have to organize a live stream though, so I can prepare it and do the live the everything pretty much. Man, whoever gets that's the problem. I know if I give away 10 accounts to one person, I know you guys are gonna do something with those accounts. I already know. So yeah, we'll do one account to 10 winners. Yeah, that's more fair. That's more fair. Yep. Bet. Yeah, bro, I just said it. You go to the video and you just comment on the video. That's it. It's that simple. A 5-year-old could do it. All right, guys. Once again, you click on the video and you comment on the video. Then I'll pick out a few names and then I'll put it on the wheel and then we spin the wheel and then that's it. The accounts are yours. That's that. All right. It's not that hard. All right, guys. If someone else asks, I already know. What should we comment? Anything, bro. Anything. Oh, don't comment something stupid. You know what I mean? Like comment something about the video. You know what I mean? How about you pick the winners based off how much they, bro. Bro, Krabby,
Yo,
look at the market, bro.
I want to know her.
Oh my god, bro. Look, at least you're still green on the day. I don't care about it. But damn, bro, like.
No, 25 points in this mark is a home run.
It's a lot, yeah. It is a lot. But bro, it is so boring, bro. Whatever, as long as we're green, I'll take it. By the way, speaking of green, bro, look what I tab into, bro. The fuck is this? Wait, but bro, the giveaway is supposed to be pure luck, bro. That's the thing. It's like it's a random winner. 10 random winners. Is staying cash better than being in any trade right now? Yeah. I mean, we are in a trade right now, but we're green. Now, speaking of, let me do another poll real quick. How are we sitting on the day? Green or red? Actually, no, it should be red. Red / break even. It should be more break even. All right, let me see these polls, guys. Let me see how you guys are doing. $8 green. That's a Big Mac right there. You know what I mean? Can we complain? No. Yeah, no, like on a real note, guys, today's market was slow as hell, bro. Ah, man. Oh, fire. All right, let's see what you guys are doing. Okay. I like to see that. Okay. But yeah. Now I know, like I said, guys, give me time. Obviously, I can't control how the market moves. We make money based off what the market is doing. Obviously, the market's not doing anything. You know what I mean? So we're making money based off what the market is doing, which is nothing. Okay? So I don't want to see anyone complaining, oh, I only made $100 today. I only made $200. You made $200 for sitting on your ass and just clicking 2 buttons. All right? So let's be a little bit grateful. I get it. Today's market is a little bit slow, but it's what we have to work with. All right? We only made 2K. You see what I mean? Like, rage baiting on his finest, bro. You blew an account. I better not be off this trade, bro. Because what's up, Krabby?
I said W.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't think we even moved enough for you to even blow an account. Like, I'm so serious.
Like, bro, you have to be horrible at trading to blow an account up like in this trade, bro.
Bro, we moved like 20 points, bro. It's not even like. Bro.
Dude, that's what I did, bro. I pretty much got out of this trade. Like, look, I'm up $300 on the day. I'll take it. I don't give a fuck. I'll take it. You know what I mean? So yeah, I sold my 2 contracts in the green, and then I'm just gonna hold this final one for some lunch money if we see the price target. Nah, I was trolling, bro. I didn't call anyone horrible, bro. It was a troll. Per account, yeah, per account. Are we DMing winners? What? What do you mean am I DMing winners? What are you talking about? For the giveaway? Yeah, obviously. I need to get your contact information so I can send you the money. Wait, guys, type me in the chat if you guys are still holding this trade with me. And how many contracts are you guys holding? Okay, but remember, guys, we're holding for 420, guys. Bro, did we not have Krabby? Did we not have like 550 people on the live? How the hell are we at 200, 300 pretty much?
That's
Crazy, bro. Alert
you know
bots,
you know
bro.
what that means, right?
Alert bots, bro. Alert bots. Bro, the trade hasn't even fully played out, bro. They get their green and they get off. Nah, that's whatever though. It's what they pay for. I'm just trolling. I was an alert bot actually. I was. I actually was. I think we all were. Krabby, were you an alert bot?
When I first started, yeah.
Yeah, me too. Bro, I was an alert bot for a good like year and a half, maybe. Yeah, like a year and a half. Actually, yeah. Actually, no. Like a year and a half, but I slowly stopped doing it as I kept practicing my charts, and it's to the point where I didn't need it anymore. That's what you guys should be doing. Hopefully, you guys are taking advantage of that.
Bro, I was getting dumped on by Starboy. Dead ass.
Bro, Starboy. Bro, you know his story account got fucking banned, bro. I'm glad. Dude, he got caught doing crypto pump and dumps, bro.
Dude.
Think about alert. You lose a lot more. Bro, the thing is, bro, alert bots. Look, if you guys are here for, obviously, you guys are paying to get alerts and everything, which is obviously what I'm doing on live. But guys, do not get used to it, guys. Take advantage of the alerts. See why I took the trade. Ask questions. You guys have access to me. You guys know I respond to every question that I get. So guys, like ask questions, learn why, so you guys don't have to wait for. Oh, David, are you in a trade? Oh, do I answer now, bro? Like you will know on your own. You get what I'm saying? Like just consider learning on your by yourself. Once you guys become your own boss, you don't need to be paying for these overpriced ass subscriptions, bro. You guys don't have to be paying for these overpriced subscriptions. You know what I mean? Like stuff like that. Like consider just learning on your own. That's what I did, and trust me, guys, the best thing ever. Because if I never like started practicing, bro, to this day I will still be following these Twitter accounts, fucking pumping and dumping these random ass stocks. You know what I'm saying? Like for example, why the hell would I get into the Gap store? Like who the hell is day trading Gap? You know what I'm saying? Like that's how obvious pump and dumps. So guys, wake up here. Let's like I get it. There's nothing wrong with following alerts or anything, but you know what I mean? Like we gotta start, take advantage of the education. I put out a million videos, or not videos, education stuff. Take advantage of it, man. It's not hard. Obviously, you guys know the strategy is easy as hell. It's not that hard to understand. It's 4 things, or well, maybe 5. You identify liquidity, wait for the liquidity to get taken out, / swept, MSS model, strong selling, inverse rally gap. You enter. That's it, bro. That's it, bro. It's that easy, bro. 4 or 5 things. Practice it, and you're good, guys. That's it. All right. All right. The next 15-minute candle open. Can we finally sell off here, bro? Please, for the love of God. 10 points. 10 points. Please. Bro, it's going back up. Anyways. Okay, bro. I'll tell me I'm gonna do the giveaway. I might do it today, but if I'm gonna do 10 winners, I might as well farm some content out of it and maybe do it on the weekend. I don't know. Maybe I do it today or maybe the weekend. I don't know. Plus, I do have to record a video today. It disappears? Nah, it's probably like posting. So don't worry, Anna. I'll put you in there. Don't worry. I'll put you in the giveaway. Do it in live? Obviously, yeah. Guys, I have to show proof of me sending you guys the money. You know what I mean? If not, I'm gonna be a scammer apparently. You know what I mean? Bro. How do you even think of making this? How do you even think of like, bro? Okay, guys, we are. Oh my god! Finally, we saw the price target. Finally, bro. Guys, if you guys are holding, consider taking some trims off, bro. I feel so relieving to finally say that, bro. Finally, bro. Guys, take some trims off here. I'm moving my stop loss to break even. Break even, just like that. Bet. All right, what do you mean making it? It's a real photo? All right, bro. Anyways, guys, PT1 has been, well, it's right there. It technically got hit. All right, guys. So if you guys haven't already, guys, make sure to start trimming some contracts off if you haven't already, and start moving your stop loss to break even. That's what I did. All right, guys. All right, let me do PT1 hit on NQ for. There it is. Bet. All right. For 35 points. Damn, I thought it was 30 points. All right, bet 35 points. Load up. Do we sell off more or do I send the screenshot? Let me see. Are we gonna sell off or what? Can we at least move like 2 points at least? Like, all right. Let me I'll just type RP's alert. Damn, bro, look how many fucking pings I have from this. There you go. All right, bet. Dude, because I'm trying to get like a nice screenshot for the alert, you know what I mean? But thing is not moving, bro. It's literally not moving. Oh, there you
Finally pushing.
go. Yeah, 1 point.
Only
It's
took
like
an hour.
bro, we're literally pushing 1 point per minute, bro.
No, I'm so like, you know when you look at the chart so much, you're actually like get bored.
Yeah.
I
That's
swear to God, this is me right now.
I'm sending out this alert.
Just like cash sitting on your hands, bored.
You're still trying to trade?
No, hell no.
No, why the fuck are you still on, bro?
Chilling with you guys.
I guess. Sure. Bro. Guys, how are we doing? Did you guys take skills? I know PT1 got hit. Bruh, obviously, I can see it. Nah, I'm just fucking shit, bro. 1 point per minute is 120 per hour per micro. Bro. At this rate, we're breaking like 50 cents per minute. Green and risk free? Yeah, me too. Honestly, bro, I'm probably gonna hold for lower, but I kind of want to sell this final contract and just get off for the day, guys. I'll probably take I'll probably take my final contract off if I see like up $400 in the day. Yeah, I'll probably do that, bro. Krabby knows this chat is better.
Look what I
Bro,
sent.
we have the best community out there, bro. You know what I'm saying? Do you comment our username? No, I'm gonna be sending the screenshots of the. Or actually, what I'm gonna do. Okay, how am I gonna pick out the winners? I feel like what I should do, guys, is I'm gonna go live on YouTube for the giveaway, and open up the comments, and I'm gonna ask you guys, hey, if you guys are in the stream, comment, and then I'll just put you on the spin the wheel, and then if it picks your name, you just send me your contact information. I feel like that'll be a lot easier. Yeah, I think that works. Or we could do the bot as well, where you guys just react and whatever. Krabby trades at Blasters trades. Super green and fully out of 2 well executed trades. Thank you, bro. Krabby, you gotta say thank you, bro. You gotta be respectful.
Somebody added me too.
Yeah, he said. I think he took your trade as well.
Thank you, Lust. Thank you, Lust.
Wait, hold on.
Bro, David, I'm starving, bro.
Dude, what should I eat, bro? Honestly, bro, you know the deal, bro. Anytime I have a green day, I always eat sushi, bro.
Sushi. Yeah.
Yep.
Fired.
So I might get some sushi. When are you gonna get back with the Instagram Reels? I don't know. I have to see. Let me see how my YouTube is doing. Hold on. Use Buff. Oh yeah, I know about Buff. That's like the Chinese marketplace for CS.
Bro, David.
What?
Price was so slow, even YouTube could have took that.
Bro. All right, bro. I have to start putting a 5-minute delay on this shit, bro.
LOL.
Nah, literally, like, bro, for real, like, they could have literally taken that trade.
Yeah, dead ass.
Do you know who Mamba FX is? I do know who Mamba FX is. I exited because yesterday it bounced off the order block, or not the order block. It was doing the same thing. I don't know how long ago you said that, but yeah, no, we're breaking those. All right, bet. Okay, back on the trade. But yeah, guys, if we see up $400 in profit overall, I'm actually gonna take full profit. I'll be happy with 400 on the day. I'm happy with what we have now. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but we probably still have room for lower. Bro, consistent. Is that even a question, bro? It's a grass green, obviously. Yeah, it's horrible. What time is the giveaway? I don't know if I'll do it today or maybe on the weekend because I have to go live on YouTube and prepare it and do a million things. And I also have to record, bro. I have to record the video for today as well. It's a lot of fish in the past couple weeks. Nah, bro, I get it with bro. I don't know. It's any time sushi has like cream cheese in it, bro. It's so good, bro.
Ugh.
What? Bro, cream
My
cheese is the reason why
God.
sushi is good as hell. And then, bro, they give you that it's called the eel sauce, bro. Oh my god, bro. It's like I think it's like honey and soy sauce mixed together, bro. It's so good, bro.
Bro, you're grossing me out, bro.
How? What?
Cream cheese?
Dude, look at this. Look at this picture I'm sending you. Bro,
Like the stuff you put on bagels?
no, bagels. Bro, you guys hear this guy? It's bagels, bro. I said bagels.
It's dead ass though.
Bro, yes,
Like,
dude. It's
what?
good. Look, let me show you. Look at
Cream
the sushi that-
cheese good?
Look, bro, Krabby. Tell me this does not look fire, bro. Wait. Right here. Dude, look at this, bro. Tell me that does not look fire, bro. Pink rice, shrimp, amazing sauce here. A little bit of shies, you know what I mean? For the fanciness and everything. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, why'd you take your photo like that?
Oh, I don't know. I was just taking a picture. Just take a picture. I don't know. What? Bro, pink rice, bro. Tell me, name me a time where you've heard pink rice, bro. Never.
Yeah, it
Never.
sounds nasty.
What? Nah, bro.
Pink, like rice that's actually pink.
Yes, dude, it's good as hell.
How'd they make it pink? How'd they make it
I
pink?
don't fucking know, like food coloring or something. Like how?
Oh hell no.
Bro. Bro, I'm digesting Red 40, bro.
Oh,
Bro.
stupid, bro.
Bro. It's red, but that is not red, bro. That is pink. That is pink at its finest, bro.
Bro, what?
That is literally pink, bro. Dano, bro, look, it has cream cheese, bro. Look, it has look, it has a mango inside, like a piece of a mango, cream cheese, bro. It's like so refreshing, bro. It's so good.
Mango in sushi.
Yes, dude. You don't understand, bro. It's good,
I don't. I really don't.
bro.
I
Hear me-
I
bro,
can't
when-
hate it until I
Look,
try it.
look,
I
look, look.
guess.
When you come to Miami, bro, we're gonna go straight to this restaurant, bro. We're gonna get this exact, bro. Krabby, I get
Mm.
if I show you my bank statements, I get it every 2 days, bro. I drive downtown, I have to pay for valet and everything, but it's so good, bro. It's so good. It is amazing, bro. Trust me, bro. When you look, guys, when you guys come to Miami, or if you guys are in Miami or coming to Miami, or whatever, guys, go to this restaurant called Rusty Pelican, and ask for this sushi. Just ask for the sushi with pink rice. I promise you guys, you're gonna come into the chat. You're gonna thank me. I promise you guys. It's the best thing I've ever had in my entire life, bro. It's so refreshing. It's so delicious, bro. So yeah, guys, go try it out if you guys are in Miami. It is so good, bro. Literally, I know I'm glazing it like crazy, but bro, just putting stuff together at this point, bro. You don't understand, bro. It's art, bro. It's art.
Art.
It's art, bro. Yes, bro. Sushi is art. David is no. I actually hate pineapple pizza, bro. It's disgusting. I hate it. David a freak? Psh, a little bit. What is this? This is lobster? No. Oh, you got. Nah, this looks too much. This looks like too. This looks like a mess, bro. I don't like this one. I don't like the way it looks. But look, looks don't mean everything, bro. Look, take it from me. I love food. I would consider myself a food critic. This looks pretty good. I mean, like you're getting a lot of sauce. You know what I mean? You're getting a lot of whatever's happening in that plate. You're getting a lot of it. You know what I mean? But yeah, not too bad. Nah. Mango and sushi. No, bro. Hear me out, bro. Look, you can't hate it until you try it, bro. I'm telling you, you can't hate it until you try it. Trust me, bro. I'm gonna tell you guys. Look, if you guys live in Miami, go to that restaurant and try it out, bro. You're gonna thank me, bro. I promise you guys. You guys know me. I don't disappoint. All right. Mango goes on ceviche, bro. Dude, this is paper trading. This is literally paper, bro. That is paper trading.
There goes my ears.
Oh, my bad, dude. What do you mean? He says, bro. That's literally paper trading, bro. Guys, on Weibo, when it says 0.000 whatever, and then the total PNL is not here, that is paper trading. Like, bro, like, what do you mean? What do you mean, bro? Where's the best place for food and drinks in Miami? Okay, first of all, obviously Rusty Pelican, really really good. Now, okay, Rusty Pelican is good. The view is also amazing, bro. Bro, look at the views. Hold on, let me show you guys. Bro, we're pulling back again in this fucking garbage market, bro. Okay, look. Let me just drop Rusty Pelican. Guys, look at these views, guys. Look at this. Look at the chat. Like, bro, look, if you have, your lady, you're trying to go out, trying to get romantic and fancy and all that shit, this is the place to go, guys. Right here. Bro, the views, you have the whole view of Brickell, you have the best food. Bro. Bro. Dude, this bunny thinks it's all sunshine and rainbows, bro. What is this, bro? It's the restaurant. I'm telling you, bro. Not only is the food good, but the views, bro. Like, look, if you're going out, look, a little bit of game here. Look, if you guys live in Miami, you guys are taking a girl or whatever for the first date. Look, bro, this place is not disappointing, bro. I'm telling you guys right now,
Somebody says Uncle owns it.
bro. No. I wish. Bro, actually, speaking of, I met the owners of this restaurant on a cruise. I heard them talking about it when I was eating food. The hell? I mean, bro, what's wrong with it? It's a very cute bunny eating grapes. Bro, I feel like every day you guys find something new that I like on Instagram.
David, what's your go-to dish though? Like if you go to a restaurant.
Bro, chicken tenders with fries. You heard me?
Shut the.
I was just kidding, bro. I don't know. Usually it's like okay, if it's like a burger spot, always a chicken sandwich. Always a chicken sandwich, bro. Bro, you cannot mess up a chicken sandwich. You really can't. If you do, then you should have a certificate to be making chicken sandwiches. You know what I mean? Like, have you guys ever seen that episode of SpongeBob where he doesn't have the license to make a fucking milkshake? Like, if you mess up a chicken sandwich, like, bro, go get that license or whatever. I don't know if you need a license for a chicken sandwich, but you know what I mean? Bro, David, how long are you on Instagram? Bro, like the whole day. You don't understand? Like, you guys think like my life is super busy? Bro, I get off live. I hop in, I get in my bed. I cuddle up with like my pillows and everything. I just, for the entire day till like 7 or 8, I watch Instagram and then I just go to the gym. That's literally it. That's my life. If you want to impress a girl, take her to a fancy place. If you want to impress a woman, yeah, but like, bro, hear me out here, bro. At least not for me. I've never had this, but like, bro, for the first date, bro, you don't typically tell a girl, hey, come over to my house. You know what I mean? At least not me. You know what I mean? Well, to be fair, I do live with my parents. You know what I mean? But I don't know how you guys do it. You know what I mean? Like the older people. But for me, it always has to be a restaurant. You know what I mean? I can't just be like, what is this? But this is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. No, I was kidding. What is that? Steak? Bro, steak. Yeah, steak is fire, bro. How do you get it done? I get it medium well.
Medium well.
Yep. The perfect one, bro. Not too much, not too little. Medium rare. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no, bro.
Medium rare is crazy.
Yeah, that's practically still alive, bro. Bro. David, do you come from a rich family? No, nowhere near, bro. Nowhere near, bro.
Yeah,
Guys,
all right.
my family came from Cuba. We literally had to restart everything when we got here.
Bro, when I went to your house, you had an elevator in that.
Bro,
And that
what?
shit, bro.
Nah,
I have a video,
nah,
I have a
nah,
video.
nah. I mean,
I have a
bro,
video.
we work hard, bro. We work hard. We work hard.
LOL.
Hard work beats talent, bro. You know what I mean? Nah, but no, I did not come from a rich family. I'm still not rich either. So yeah, no, that's your answer. Yeah, bro. I mean, doesn't everyone have an elevator in their house? They've always messing up the call. Bro. Yeah, I am on the 15-minute. Yeah, I am. The chart is right here. Yeah. Remember, guys, my stop loss is placed at wait, let me put it a little bit lower. There you go. It's placed at 454. So if I get stopped out, I'm stopped out. You know what I mean? Like I don't know what to tell you guys. You guys don't have maids? Like what? Is that not the normal? Nah, I'm fucking with you guys, bro. Fuck us poor people. Bro, don't say us poor people, bro. Have to walk up and down the stairs, bro. If you have stairs in your house, you are not poor, bro. Like I don't even have stairs in my house. Okay, if we can't, okay, wait. Let me read this. Let me read this. If we can't chill, talk, and watch movies, I don't want you. And there will be no second date. Okay, okay.
Bro, what?
Wait, no, I'm reading the chat. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm not saying we gotta smash first date. No, look. Okay, look. I don't know about you guys, bro, but smashing on the first date is not the best sign, bro. If she gives it up easily, then God knows how easy she gave it up for other people. You know what I mean? So that's my take on it. I don't know about you guys. I don't know. I don't know if you guys are trying to have fun or trying to look for something long term. But you know what I mean? I you know what I mean? Crappy, what do you think about that?
Ah,
Like first date, bro. That's come on now, bro. Like I barely even know what your favorite color is. You know what I mean? Like how am I gonna be in you? I mean, like come on now. Let's be realistic here.
like what the fuck do they expect? A jet to Miami? Like fuck. Take her shopping? Like bro.
Bro. I can't lie. I don't mess with the dinner date first date. But the thing is, you can look. What's another date idea? If it's not dinner, then it's probably the movies, bro. If it's the movies, bro, you can't talk to her. It's like awkward.
That
And,
ass.
and with it being the first date, you're not gonna be making these slick moves. Like I mean, you could. I usually do. You know what I mean? But like most people, they get nervous, and what ends up happening is it's a boring ass date where you guys are not even talking. So look, if you guys are looking to talk to someone, do not do the movies, bro. Like, come on now, let's be smart here. The first date is to get to know them, to see if you see a future with them, to see if you guys have like similarities and everything. But don't do the movies. Let's be smart here. And look, take it from a 19-year-old. You know what I mean? Oh, I see you, my boy. I see you, my boy. Okay. You could have done a little bit of a better pose there, but you know what I mean?
Oh my god.
Like that works. That works. We're winning. You know what I mean? Now,
It's
okay,
something.
what about dinner and a movie after? There you go. You know, I like the way you think. That's what I do. Dinner, you know what I mean? We talk. Obviously, you're not gonna be talking the whole night. You know what I mean? You can't be yapping your mouth away like me, right? So, what do? You talk a little bit. You get them to know each other. Remember, you gotta keep a little bit of a mystery. You know what I mean? You gotta get to let her. Nah, I'm being for real, bro. That's how I work, bro.
I know. I just can't like.
Nah, I'm being for real.
I can't hold it in, bro.
I'm telling you, bro. Look, never tell someone. I could be a guy or a girl. I don't know what you guys like. I don't know who you guys are. You know what I mean? Never tell them everything on the first date. You know what I mean? Like get them, make it fun. Have them figure out what you do. You know what I mean?
Buddy's an open book. Like holy.
bro. Bro.
Dave's like telling you guys not what to do from experience.
Bro, shut up, bro. Nah. I mean, it's happened before. Now, look. Okay, a little bit off track here. I don't know if people are gonna agree with you. Oh, bro, I'm gonna get stopped out of break even, bro. Oh my god. I'll be up to practically 3K on the day. I'll take it. I don't give a fuck. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get stopped out in like 5 seconds from now, and I'm out. All right, guys, I am done out of that trade. Anyways, okay, I want to get to hear your guys' thoughts. Okay, let's say you guys are with a girl. You know what I mean? Like a pretty healthy relationship. You know, you see a long term with her, and then she's like, oh, I want to get a BBL. What do you guys say? Do you get it for her? Do you say no? What do you guys say? Hell no? Leave her? Hell
David,
no?
what are you asking,
No,
bro?
someone said, bro, look what someone said right here, bro. Look. Don't tell me you delete this. Oh, right here, look.
Bro, they're trolling.
What do you guys do, bro? I'm seeing a bunch of no's, bro. Pretty much a BBL is when it's like okay, let's say like you're a little bit like from what I understand, of course. You know what I mean? It's you get fat from like your stomach, like if you're like chubby or whatever, and you get that fat and you put it over to your things. You know what I mean? Your no fucking insecure women, not worth it. Yeah, I'm just getting your opinions. I'm not saying anything. Right? But what do you guys say? Got stopped. Yeah, I did too. I'm up currently $288 per account times 10. So pretty much 3K on the day. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yeah, David, I'm off, bro.
All right, bro. Yeah.
Been in this chair for too
Oh
long.
hell no. I've seen that shit on Instagram, bro. That shit is crazy, bro. She doesn't even fit in cars, bro. That is crazy, bro. That is crazy. They will leave you as soon as they see something they don't like. Nah, but that's what I'm saying. Like, it's long term. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you have a future with this girl, you know, whatever. You've been with her for a while. And she's like, oh baby, like, I want to get a BBL. Should I get it? What do you guys say? I saw a lot of no's, so I'm assuming you guys say no. You know what I mean? No. I mean, look, honestly, look, my take on it, as long as you don't look like, you know what I mean? Like, if it's a little bit, you know, like maybe, yeah, I'll consider it. You know what I mean? That's me though. Because I have a type. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Hard no. Thanks again. Oh, of course, bro. Of course. If it's small, exactly. I agree with you. Look, right here. Look, if it's small, maybe. You see what I mean? I agree with you. Is this your current situation? Bro, no, it's not. What's your type? Next question. Bro, it is hot. Hold on. Let me turn on the AC. Hold up. Bro, what? Oh, I'm back. Squats and carbs. But yeah, bro, nowadays, bro, they don't do that shit. They do not. Bro, now, in fact, nowadays, bro, I promise you, I'll be at the gym, bro. And people go, look, what people do is they get a BBL, they go to the gym to pretend like they're working out, to then go back home. Like, bro, like, you don't have to do that. You get what I'm saying? Like, people literally do that at the gym, bro. Like, am I not the only one that notices this? Like, it's like the most obvious, like surgery thing ever. They go to the gym, they do like 2-3 squats, and they go back home. Like, bro, for what? For what? Like, bro, you see what I mean? I know Miami's, bro. It's like, bro, if you see a girl without a BBL in Miami, bro, you might as well go play the fucking lottery, bro. I promise you, bro. That's how it is, bro. So, nah, bro. Trust me. I've tried before. Never again, man. Never again. Everything is plastic in Miami. Nah, that's what Miami's for. Guys, everything in Miami is fake. I'm talking gurus. I'm talking cars. I'm talking girls. I'm talking this. Lifestyle. Everything is fake in Miami, bro. It's how it is, bro. It's how it is. You still trading? Nah, bro. I'm done, bro. I got stopped out. Break even. Hey, David, you should do a car build. I want to, bro. I want to do a drift build, but I have a type of confident woman. I like. You see, Jordan, I like you, man. I like you. You know what I mean? We're pretty alike. Yeah, no, Texas is. I'm not gonna lie, Texas is good. You doing the giveaway? I gotta prepare. Yeah, Texas has good people. Texas does have good people. Do you ever see those gurus? Bro, I promise you, bro. I promise you, bro. I can go right now outside, walk down the street, and I can see a fucking Lambo. And I already know it's fake. So yeah. Yeah, bro, Tarp. Slide through, bro. Wait, what do you win? Oh, you're an ES. Longs or shorts? Oh, damn. Bad. Nice. Bro, guys, on a real note, guys, chart talk, bro, I'm praying tomorrow is a little bit better on the markets. Because, man, we're green on the week. We're up about $5,000 on the week. Around there, 5.5 maybe. Around there, which is a blessing. But, guys, hopefully we get a better market tomorrow where we actually move a little bit more. So we can make some more profits, because yesterday we made about $213 and today we made about $300. So yeah, about $500 per account on the week. It's only Tuesday. All right. So hopefully tomorrow, as long as we continue the streak going, hopefully we can get something good going on. All right, guys. Hopefully, because I do see a few guys getting off. Has anyone ever yapped about trading like an unk? I don't know what you mean. But probably not. Dude, I am starving, bro. I am fucking starving. Bro. Karabi, bro. Karabi, are you here? Oh, he got off. Bro, no. No way, he got off, bro. I didn't even hear him say that he got off. Hold on, let me add him. Oops. Nah. Well, I don't know. Like, in a way, yeah. Like, obviously, I like. Okay, look, the way I think about it myself. Oh, he said bye in the chat. Oh, I got it. He probably wants to sleep, bro. The way I think about it myself, bro, is I like someone who's like toxic because toxic shows you not super, not like controlling, but like in a way, like it shows you that they care about you. You get what I'm saying? Like, oh, don't go this, don't go there, or no, not like that. But like, you get what I'm saying? Like, it just shows you. Look, the Clips agrees with me. It shows you that they care. You know what I mean? Not toxic, but like I don't know how to explain it, bro. That's my type. You know what I mean? But like if a girl's like dominant or like controlling, no, that's just a headache. It sounds attractive at first, but bro, trust me, no thanks. No thanks. Obviously, you being the man, you have to be the one that's leading the relationship. You know what I mean? That's what I do. You know what I mean? I always find the control. Not like that. No, I'm not trying to make it seem like like anything, but you guys get what I'm saying. What I feel about women is that no one thing that I don't like about many. Look, I've had a few talking stages, bro, and they're so confusing, bro. I remember. I promise you guys. I had one that she was like, oh yeah, I like it when a man tells me what to do. I'm like, okay, I guess I'll just do that. You know what I mean? So I started doing it. She's like, oh, why are you telling me what to do? And then she said, oh yeah, I don't think it's gonna work out. Like, bro, what? You literally told me to do. You get what I'm saying, bro? Like, I don't even care, bro. I don't give a fuck. Like, bro. I don't even know what this is, bro. Dodge the bullet, bro. Like I promise you, I can show you the message right now, bro. I promise you, bro. She's like, oh yeah, like I like someone that's leading, someone that tells me this, and all that stuff. And I'm like, all right, you know what I mean? Let me start doing it. You know what I mean? And then I promise you guys, one time she was rating something that's like a little bit too like, bro, like extra, bro. Like you guys get what I'm saying? Like really fucking extra. I'm like, bro, like that's a little bit too much. Like, you know what I mean? Like you should probably change it. I mean, and she starts getting mad and everything. And I promise you guys, like 2-3 days later, she's like, oh no, I don't think it's gonna work out. I said, all right, I respect it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? If anything, you can always text me. I'll be here. But yeah, ever since then, never heard from her again. And yeah, like you said, I did dodge a bullet. You know what I mean? I was kind of blinded by love because you know what I mean. She was pretty good looking, but like damn, bro, you get what I'm saying? Like in business school, nah, bro, you got the wrong person, bro. Look good? Yeah, I mean it's okay. Look, it's makeup. It's makeup because I've seen good people wipe off that makeup and it's something a different person. It's literally a different person. No, I'm not one to really talk bad about it. I don't really care about that. You know what I mean? If you feel confident in your makeup, go ahead. But meet and greet, bro. I'm not like that famous. I'm not famous, like well known. You know what I mean? Like, bro, like if you're in Miami, bro, and you're like, bro, slide to Brickell, I'll go by right now. You know what I mean? I'll go drive there, say what's up. You know what I mean? Get some food, and then you know what I mean? Like we just say what's up. I've done it before. I'll do it again. I don't really mind. Bro. What? That I'm with right now? Or my past? Meet and kiss. All right, bro. Are we green? Yeah, no, everyone is green today. Everyone, I saw the polls. Everyone was green today. So we're chilling. We're chilling. Maybe not the greenest, but we are green today. We gotta take what we can get. Bro, I send them sometimes, bro. Oh, hell no. Pass. Oh, bro. I don't know. I I kind of had to end it, bro. It was taking too much focus out. It was like we're you know what I mean, like nothing bad or anything. It's just I was kind of just too focused, and I kind of just had to like take like a little break. You know what I mean? Yeah, I agree. Do you have real friends? Yeah, bro. I keep my group small, very very small, bro. But yeah, no. I kind of just had to tell her I just couldn't. You know what I mean? I have a right now like the business is blowing up. I'm constantly so busy. She wants to constantly see me, and I'm like, you know what? Right now maybe it's not the time. You know what I mean? Like, you know, and it happens. You know what I mean? It happens. I'm young. You know what I mean? Oh, and by the way, I think TGR also is going through the same thing. I think he did the same exact thing. He had to break up with his girlfriend, because he's too focused, and you know what I mean. So it's just, bro, a lot of work. You know what I mean? I run a few things, and it's stressful. So I just couldn't keep up. Let me see. The worst is when an attractive woman from the middle of nowhere gets a BBL and starts posting her body all over Instagram and gets moved out to Miami by a guy with the bank. Yep, and and the usual. Yeah, you already know. After he's done with her, she's done using him. Bro, it's how, bro. Miami sucks, bro. Miami sucks. Like, it's beautiful, but bro, check the profit channel ASAP. Oh, bro, let me see. Let me see what's some posted, bro. Oh, there's something here. Oh, never mind. Oh my god, bro, how does this go allow that? Holy, bro, thank God I didn't show that on stream, bro. All right, anyways, go broad and find. Yeah, bro, Miami. It's look, bro. I've learned don't date in Miami. Like, look, if you guys live here in Miami, or if you guys are talking to someone in Miami, please be careful. And I'm telling you guys this for like your mental health. Like seriously, please be careful, Miami. Miami is not a place to date. Miami is a place to have fun with. You know what I mean? To have fun in, but definitely not for long term. All right. I'm looking out for you guys. Take it from someone that's lived here my entire life, bro. I've seen bad stuff with my. Thank God, so far, nothing has happened with me yet. Cause I don't know how I will react to that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You guys know the business side of me, but I'm a little bit like, you know what I mean? Like, when I get mad, bro, I get mad, bro. Like, you know. But yeah, thank God it hasn't happened to me yet. But I have seen it happen to a ton of my friends in broad daylight. Take my advice, guys. If you guys are talking, no, Fernie, no. I'm telling you guys, bro. Please be careful out there. All right. At least with the Miami. If you're talking to someone from Miami, or if you live here in Miami, do something else. Do very far away. Very far away. All right. Take it from me, guys. Take it from. I've seen stuff that's crazy. You know. All right, Fernie. All right, bro. Anyways, let me peep something here. Hold up. By the way, I completely forgot to say, guys, if you guys are green on the day, it might not be much. I know. But guys, if you guys can, post it in the Wins channel. Yeah, exactly. You already know, bro. You already know. Yeah, guys, go hype up the profit channel. Let me see what's up. Actually, I'm seeing a good amount of you guys are green today. But yeah, if you guys are green, guys, go post it in the Wins channel. Let me see what you guys caught. But yeah. Yeah, but bro, it's noticeable. Noticeable like crazy. Oh, bro, at that point, bro, after 4 years, you at that point, bro, you just gotta stay, bro. Like, bro, you just gotta stay at that point, bro. You already went through those struggles, bro. You might as well just stay at that point, bro. Bro, I'm trolling. I'm just trolling, bro. Bro. When are you gonna make a red channel, bro? I don't even want to. No. Miami makes me lose so much hope in women, bro. I've lost all hope in women. Not so much, all hope in women, bro. It's horrible. It is horrible, Miami. The markets are making David crazy. Nah, bro, I'm just bored, bro. I'm gonna get off in a minute because I need to go eat. I'm starving. It has to record the video. My editor is asking for the videos right now because we have a schedule that we're working with. By the way, guys, I'm gonna start doing weekly uploads. All right, guys. So I'm getting back into my YouTube grind. Speaking of, let me see how we're doing over on YouTube. The chat looking. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yeah, everyone left already. We had like 100 viewers like a bit ago. But guys, speaking of, we literally hit 3,000 subscribers. But yeah, guys, I'm trying to get into my YouTube grind, bro. I want to start posting a lot of content, IRL content, educational content, literally everything you guys name it. It's on here, all right, guys? But yeah, I gotta get to recording that video very soon. Wait, Decrypt is live? What is bro doing? What the hell? Oh, no, he's not live. Never mind. But yeah, guys. Anyways, yeah, guys, I'm about to get off for the day. Then, when are you doing the giveaway? I have to prepare it, so I might do it later today, if not this weekend. All right. Bro, yeah, bro. This editor, bro. Oh my, bro. He charges way too little, so I'm gonna start giving him some tips, bro. Cause damn, bro, he is good. Guys, look at this. Look at this.
$20,000 payout over from Apex for the month of February by day trading this
Look at this.
85% win rate trading strategy. And in this video, we're gonna be
Dude,
breaking down these
this
trades.
guy
I want you guys to
deserves
know that all of these trades were caught
more
live
than I paid
with
him,
my
bro.
screen being shared.
Definitely more than I pay him, bro. But yeah, you're finessing the Indian. No, bro, I don't think he's Indian. I think he's French. Anyways, guys, yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off for the day. I have to record some videos and eat. All right, guys. By the way, if you guys haven't already, you know what I mean, post something in the Prof channel. You know, go hype me up or whatever, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live trading. In fact, what time are we going live tomorrow? Oh yeah, tomorrow 9:40 live trading at 9:40. All right, guys. So yeah, we don't have any news tomorrow from what I see. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday should be chilling, and then Thursday 10 a.m. and then Friday 10 a.m. as well. All right, yeah. So tomorrow we'll be live trading right off market open. All right, guys. But in the meantime, guys, I'm getting off. All right, I'm gonna go eat some sushi. I'm gonna go enjoy the day, and yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Peace out, guys. Peace. And YouTube, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. Hopefully you guys made some money with me. We did end up catching some really, really nice trades today. As you guys see right here. No, nothing crazy, you know what I mean? But we did make our profit for about 3K on the day. As you guys see right here, we have about $288 per account times 10. So about $2,880. All right. But yeah, hopefully you guys were able to catch this trade live with me and make some money with me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the live trading tomorrow. All right, guys. Now, if you guys do want to join the premium, guys, it is code 60 in the first thing in the description for 60% off any premium upgrade. And guys, if you guys want to get 80% off any funded account, it is code Blastoise at checkout. All right, guys, it is the code on the screen. All right, for Apex accounts. All right, it is 80% off with code Blastoise. All right, guys. But yeah, I'm really hoping to see you guys over in the premium, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live.